Yeah, man. I can shut these lights off. That's better. That's better, huh? How you guys doing, man? The music is loud on the intro screen, bro. Rhodes, what's up? Drew, how you doing, man? Guys, this is the Karen that we made. This is the Chat Pix character that got a little ahead of himself. And so I'm going to run into this Everjail and see if we can kill something. I'm level 39, but Renala is gone. For me, I feel underleveled. You know what I'm saying? We got to buff up. I don't remember how to use this weapon. I know Blood Flame Blade is dumb. Assassin's Approach we're not using, so we have no spells. Okay. I'm thinking drink first. Which one is this? Do you guys even remember this enemy? I guess it doesn't matter, right? Just get in there and make it happen. Don't you dare drink. Okay. So I think that's a good sign. Now this is the beginning of right? We got him, guys. We got it, guys. We're gaming tonight, guys. You know when I put the phones on, I'm getting freaking serious, guys. We're freaking gaming. Get my hair out of these freaking headphones, man. We're gaming tonight, guys. That was yeah. Wow. Okay. There's another Everjail over here that we haven't gone to yet. Can we? What's the quickest way to run there? Probably from here, Murkwater Cave, I'm guessing. Hopefully we'll catch a Grace on the way. Billy, what's up? Time to poke. Billy, you know, I seriously can say, hey, Antoine, thank you for the chess game, Antoine. I played Antoine earlier, man. Antoine and I played a game of chess. If I'm at the Murkwater Cave, I'm guessing the Murkwater Cave is done. So let's get out of here. We're going to run down to this other Everjail. Guys, we haven't done a lot on this character at all. And so what I almost did, because last time, because Chat picks, man, and Chat picked me playing with Drew and Trey, and we just ran through some bosses, which was fun, but I felt like I wasn't, what am I supposed to do next? You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, let's get on this guy. I ain't gonna lie. You guys ready for this? I killed a rune bear off stream. I did. I'm like, that's a challenge, right? Rune bears are hard. Kill a rune bear, and if you can kill a rune bear, maybe you're not so bad. Because this weapon's supposed to be pretty overpowered, especially at this juncture in the game. Well, I killed the freaking rune bear, and he died. Kevin Cook, what's up, man? Look how strong that bastard is. Dude, yeah, you love it, man. That was pretty strong, dude. It was pretty strong. The poor little guy never had a chance. He wanted to make fireballs and stuff. He didn't have time to drink, dude. Now, isn't there a Grace right here? No, it's over here. I see it. I see it, guys. Follow the yellow brick glitter. You got to follow the yellow brick glitter, folks. That's how it goes here at Charlie Soto Gaming. You just got to... Mushrooms, guys. Sleep pots. Sleep pots, guys. Mushrooms, Trina Lilies. Don't forget. And cracked pots, guys. Yeah, this is strong. So I was seriously, actually, possibly considering maybe just making a new character from scratch. I really was. I really was. I was thinking about making it... Whoa! Mushroom farm! Alright, guys. For the next 2 hours, we're going to be farming one mushroom per 25 seconds. No, it's not worth it, huh? It's not worth it, guys. It's better mushroom farms. So Whoa, whoa. Hey there, buddy. Hey there, buddy. Remember this guy? Did anyone have a hard time with this guy the first time they saw him? Now, can I shoot him from here, like... Oh, he's got sisters now, though. When are you going to turn around, buddy? There you are. Good. Are the sisters coming? They're definitely getting aggroed. Come out here into the middle of the field. What? What's he... Okay, the last time I saw this guy, or at least when I started the game... That dude followed me to the edge of the freaking earth and, like, freaking deleted me. Now I'm just trying to, like, show off a little with my desk poker. Drew says, I was thinking we could go after some lesser travel dungeons areas next co-op, knock a bunch of stuff out. Yeah, I'm going to try and maybe catch this guy up tonight. You going to run again? You going to run again? Should I get on my horse? Oh, that was jacked up, bro. See, the stagger on this is gnarly. You know what I'm saying? When you hit them, they get whacked, folks. They get whacked. Ooh, Everjail right here, guys. I see the worms. I see the worms. I think you did this Everjail already. Forlorn Hounds, you used... Oh, did I? Oh, you guys... Man, you remember? Because I had gotten the poker, huh? Okay, so this was the only one I did. You're right. It is dead. Okay. Yeah, it kind of bothers me. Wait. Mistwood Ruins. What am I missing? Isn't Fort Haight over here? Have I just not... That's Fort Haight, right? It is. I just haven't explored it yet or something, so it's not on the map. You know what's always a good way to find your bearings in life? Sophia River. Let's go light some freaking fires, guys. Kill a reindeer, boss. We're gonna... Guys, you guys know me. I'm gonna try and go no summons, man. I'm turning into a wannabe Souls player, folks. Guys, I'm seriously considering no summons on DLC. Just crossing over. You know what I mean? Because if I'm going to be a Souls player, it's okay to summon, guys. I summoned my whole life. I still do for fun. But I'm really digging the freaking beat your head against the freaking brick wall technique. And just, okay, you know, we need a couple points of Vig. I ain't afraid to put the points of in Vig either, right? I ain't afraid of being leveled enough, but... You know, I would imagine some of the people that are like the hardcore people that are against summons, that, you know, they're like level 25 when they fight like Margit or something. I'm not saying they are. I bet some of them are. You know what I'm saying? And I wonder if it's harder to fight Margit at level 14 with the summons, with a little baby jellyfish, level 1 jellyfish, than it is at a higher level. You know what I mean? There's a little bit of that. But the fact is, no summons makes you a better player. It does. You have to get engaged. There's no running. There's no running. You have to play off of the boss. Yeah, I think this should be a dung eater run. Get the dung ending. Man, that's a little bit of work, right? But not too bad. What do we? You got to go in the sewers and talk to him when he's a dung, right? You got to talk to little dung. Do you have to talk to him at the round table too? I know he's there and he's all red and he's real scary looking and he's like, "Get away from me," or "Into you," or whatever the hell he says. This is just a few levels. This is a brand new character, guys. See, this is a brand new character. So even if we ever do want to use summons, it won't hurt to go knock some catacombs out. Because like I have no catacombs, I have no smithing stones, because I just kind of ran and killed bosses, which is fun. It was fun. But are you guys? Well, I actually should. You know, I'm gonna start with Sophia River. If you guys have any suggestions while we're doing Sophia River, I'll take them. But what I'm not gonna do, what I don't want to do on the chat picks anymore is, like, I've got to come up with some way to word the rules to where it can't be like, you know, it can't be like, okay, sell your death poker and it's like, no, it's not. It can't be that extreme, right? And I think I'm not gonna do summons on the chat picks, because that's how I got ahead of myself. You know what I'm saying? Isn't there loot here? Guys, I'm freaking broke. Give me a break. Don't laugh at me. Smithing Stone 4. Might want to hold on to that one. We might end up changing our weapon at some point, although the poker's looking pretty good. But the poker is a poke. You said the poker's like really good early game, right? Oh, come on! God. How fast do you guys spam the E key? Like 4 or 5 a second? Because if that's what I got to do, that's a little bit of work, man. We're getting all the loot here. Gotta talk to him for $5. That's right. And I know there's one in the Halleck tree. I know there's one in the Halleck tree because I just picked it up the other day. On the way down. On the way down to Melinda. Right? Come on. Don't goof with me. I usually kill these guys, but I'm feeling pretty good about this. Oh, I was feeling pretty good about it. Poker is good at endgame too. Elden Beast is weak to Ghost Flame. Wow. What's up, Drew? Caleb, what's up, dude? What's up, my brother? How you doing, man? Caleb, dude, how you doing? We got to go pick up... Now we have to pick up these runes, guys. You know why? Because we're freaking poor. I know where they are, at least. Thank goodness. Because I fell... Yeah. What is that loot on there? It's probably like a freaking old fang or something stupid, right? Trey, what's up, my brother? Yeah, the runes are conveniently located right here where I freaking fell to my death. Oh, they're going to be upstairs? That was the spot? Yeah, that's the spot. They're going to be upstairs, so we got to go back around. Good, because I missed a piece of loot over here, guys. And I felt pretty bad about it. Looking. Just boogieing through the game, folks. Just boogieing through. Oh, this one here? Yeah, that's the one I didn't get. What's going on, Trey? How you doing, man? Well, we got our loot. Guys, I feel like my F key's starting to break, man. There's a bubble spell up top. The one you drop down on, is that what that is? A bubble spell? Right now, I'm just trying to get my freaking runes back, man. I want my rib back. You know what I'm saying? Come on! It didn't... There they are. That's the move right there. Okay. Where'd you go? What are you doing? Ash of what? Oracle bubbles. Cool. Do we use that for our bubble playthrough? Did Caleb get his what's it called? The Switch? Wasn't Caleb gonna get something and saw Elden Ring? Playing ER with Trey. Nice. Thanks for this. Steam Deck. I don't know all those things because I don't really normally play on them, so I don't know like the handheld consoles and stuff. All right, here we go. Of course, you know we have to get this loot because it's fancy schmancy, guys. I did this last time. It took me like 4 tries. Last night, Charlie bought Elden Ring on Steam Deck. Nice, man. Can I get my loot now? Hey, Gold Rune 4, that's pretty good, man. We probably got a freaking level. No, probably not, but we're working on it. Steam Deck, very cool, man. Very cool. We are coming into the Sophia River proper, folks. There is... Now, this guy, I always take his crab eggs. One thing about me, I never regret... Whoa, what's this? I never regret not getting the crab eggs. But sometimes I regret... What is this? A melted mushroom. Sometimes I regret grabbing the crab eggs. I'm caught on a tree, and this dude wants me. We juked him, folks. We juked him right here. Is there a cookbook up here or something now? Why do I feel like there's a cookbook over here, guys? It's nice playing on the go, I bet, man. That's kind of crazy. It's crazy that they... Is it right here? Is that the cookbook? Cookbook! I forget what it's for, but I know it's one of the good ones, guys, because I've had to hunt it down before. I'm a grace-grabbing fool, folks. So I've been grinding new content on COD. Saw your message about Halleck Tree earlier. New content on COD, man. Like what? What's new content on COD? That sounds like fun. I actually saw a Warzone or a Call of Duty video I had made, and man, it made me want to fire the game up, man. It made me want to fire the game up. I might have to install it though. I mean, update it, right? Because haven't they had like huge updates? Get out of there, Wilma. Are you freaking serious? Is there like an accepted speed to run over loot when you grab it? Lump of flesh. Like, was that worth it? I'm a junkie for grinding new weapons as soon as they release. Nice. I kind of want to explode the blue ball, but guys, you guys know the worst enemy in the world is actual blue balls. I didn't get the first one, guys. I'm going back for it. Good. We eliminated one blue ball. Cookbook lets you crap. That's the rot ball. See, I knew it was a good one. And that right there will come in handy for the rest of this character's life. We're setting him up. We're setting him up for success. He's going to hit me. He's going to hit me. Oh, he missed me. They can miss you? Wow. Okay. You want to just do these now? How are we doing on health pots? Oh, quit making your noises. No one's scared of you, bro. New zombies. Aether Rift. 2 new weapons, new aftermarket. Whoa, I almost ran off a cliff. Aftermarket parts for existing guns. Nice. Nice. Are they like printed on a freaking 3D printer camera or something and get schematics for them online or something? Come on, come on. No, I put my weapon away. There it is. Ah! Guys, I almost fell off the edge of the world. Don't... Oh, my God. I'm catching... I'm panicking. I'm panicking. Okay, wait. I think I'm going to be all right. I need water, guys. I'm starting to lick my lips. I was fine till I started talking. Okay, we're gonna use the iframes. Get it! That's the move, guys. Look at that. I took out 2 blue balls with no hassle. That's high level stuff right there. How's the deck, Caleb? What do those things run, man? I never go to the right. Well, I'm going to the left again. Oh my God, I'm dead. I'm dead. Thank you for taking me 15 clicks. It's only 15 clicks, folks. I wanted to bounce off his head and be like a funny guy, but didn't let me do that. The aftermarket parts are crazy. Some 3D printed attachments, scopes, magazines. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I've seen some of that stuff online, man. Did you guys see like Linus Tech Tips where he took the Steam Deck and like put the cooler on it or something? He put like a... What do you call that thing that catches the air? The wind cooler. It's not a radiator. What's it called? You guys know the word I'm trying to think of. And more fans. Maybe you water cooled it or something, right? You guys remember that one? Yeah. See, you're talking about how hot it gets. I was just talking about Linus Tech Tips. Put everything you can between you and the rats, and then just run. Now, are they going to see me? Are they going to shoot me? Sometimes they shoot me, sometimes they don't. It's really weird. I'm going to try and run on the outside. Ooh, not too close to the edge, though. They're going to hit me with a freaking arrow. It's going to hit real hard, man. They don't miss either. You can run sideways. Right about there. Nope, they didn't see me, folks. Do we open the door? We're not going to spend the sword key, guys. Let's just do it. Just for later. We know we're going to play this game. Yeah, you know the one I'm talking about, Caleb. Yeah. Linus Tech Tips is it's a trip, man. It's like I saw a video where it's turned into like a really big business, and so like it's not like it started out it was intended to be. You know what I mean? So they'll like come to him with ideas for shows and stuff, and they'll get them all ready, and he just kind of has to walk in, and maybe he's not doing all the research himself and stuff, and then someone makes a mistake, and I think they did it. Didn't they do like a review of I think they did a review of a mouse, and they were talking about how the mouse, how it really drug, and it was really kind of that aspect of it. It wasn't very smooth, and it still had the plastic on the bottom of it, and they gave it like a bad review, and they left the plastic on the bottom of it, the little clear plastic. You know what I'm talking about? And stuff like that, to where like it's called growing pains, guys. I don't think Linus is a bad dude. I don't think he's a bad dude. I think the bigger you get, the more mistakes you can make. This is to get out of the way of the archer. But there's one coming on me right here. There he is. I'm out. We have to gain all loot, folks, because we're broke. It's a new character. How's the gameplay on a smaller screen? Yeah, what's that like, man? What's that like? God, it's warm in here, bro. Maybe it's because I'm thirsty. We're gonna get water, guys. I hate to go to coffee camp so early. Like those gold seeds, at this level, they actually matter. Is there loot over here? I think not. Okay, I'm qualified to ride my horse only in certain areas, guys. Okay, and this is going to be like maybe a stone sword key. Hey, good. We just spent one, so we got paid, guys. We got our money back. It's a zero-sum game right now, so far, since we've been here. Oh, we got to go upstairs to the vendor, too, right? We're heading back that way. Oh, my God. Dude, that is so dangerous, bro. It's not my 65-inch LG OLED. It's okay for my handheld. Nice, nice, nice. Can you like screen share to the big screen, or plug it into the big screen or something and watch it on the big screen? And play it at home on the big screen? Runark, yeah, I remember now. That's a good one. Okay, there's a boss down here. He's down there somewhere, you guys. You want to go take the port to him? I got it in me. No summons, gonna be kind of rough, but guys, we're kind of slapping. This dude hits hard though, bro. And we're sporting exactly 22 vig. 22 vig, guys. That's all I got. It's too low. It's easy for that trash we did a minute ago. Probably big enough for the reindeer boss. Hopefully we can grab a few levels before we get there. Wilma! Get me out of here, Wilma. Okay, so it's claiming I didn't light all of the fires. I just lit that one, right? I did. Which one didn't I light? Wow. Yeah, there's one. No. I really don't know which one I didn't light. Was it the one in the middle? I can have to hook it to dock to use as a TV screen. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I told you. I told you I was dead. I knew. Because I got to get the hell away from the blue balls, guys. Stay away from the blue balls. Now, I think the grace might be close. So that'll be good. Oh, no, we got this grace. I got to run past the freaking archers again. Oh, no, I can port. Yeah. That's cool. Always the first one. Yeah, but didn't I run back and do the first one? My runes are right here by the crab. And the blue balls. I took a chance, guys. Where are they? Why are they way over there? I didn't die way over there. I did not die over here, guys. This one we got. And I got this one, right? Oh, maybe it was this one. Maybe it was the one in the middle, guys. There we go. Reindeer incoming, folks. How's it going? Adam Freeman, what's up, dude? Thank you, though, Billy. Yeah, I got the runes. I had to go back. I couldn't find them. That's what gets me killed sometimes. I'm like trying to get on my mount, and it's like power gathers, and you have to hit the E button. The E button, folks. Oh, should we go up? Should we go up and kill the vendor, guys? For his ball bearings. Right? It's a move. Guys, it's a first playthrough. This is what I was talking about being too low level to get through the game. Because, because Ronaldo's already dead. I should have rested. Oh my god. At least they die easy, but they get a free hit off. And I don't like it when they get a hit off. Halen Meyer about to start Stormvale Castle. Nice! You guys have fun, man, with Stormvale Castle. It's a beautiful thing. Here we go. Sliver of meat. We come around here. We take all free loot because, again, we are low level. Runes. Need them. Levels. That's money. That's levels in the bank, folks. Right here, right? And then here. And then here. Watch it be a beast liver or something stupid. Smithing stones, man. You know what? I don't need them right now. But we might need them later. Oh, freaking mosquito, man. Leave me alone, Skeeter. Skeeter eater. Cat helped us with Margaret earlier because we were too low level. That's great, man. That's great. Yeah, I've got so many characters that I feel like, for me, I want to have some type of cohesiveness to their playthroughs. I don't want one to be, like, really low level and be really far ahead of his game, because then when I log into and play him, I'm like, wait a minute, what do I even do right now? We know we're gonna drink, guys, because we know we're gonna have a fool, and we know we're going to buff because we're gonna have a fool. This guy, does he do rot? What does he do? He's playing the world's tiniest violin. Sorry, sir. I'm buffing. No reason. This guy's actually... Have you ever fought this guy and, like, he just killed you 3 times, you had to keep running back? I have. But I didn't have the Death Spoker. Lightning poopies, poison poopies. What kind of poopies we talking about here? Okay, cool. I think there's some loot over here. And then we go kill a reindeer. We're going to take whatever levels we can. Leave me alone, squid-to-puss. Octosquid. You guys want to play with the blue balls? Guys, I just don't play with the blue balls. Nailed me. Flirting with death, folks. Flirting with death. So that Linus Tech Tips video, they pretty much cut a piece of the back case out to put a big heatsink. Heatsink, that's the word I wanted to say. So they could overclock it and it wouldn't overheat and throttle CPU and GPU. Yeah. Heatsink. The bull balls. It's definitely made it more awkward to hold and carry. Oh, I bet. I bet. Yeah, blue balls. I know what you mean, Jer. Don't even. Most of you guys, if you never corrected anything, I would know exactly what you meant. You guys know, right? Like when I fumble words, you guys know what I mean too. Because there's context. We're grabbing water, guys. We're grabbing water because we need it. Coffee cam, it's just for water. Okay. Big reindeer. After we delete the reindeer, or at least attempt to, then you guys will have an idea for what I'm capable of. And then we will start properly the chat picks. Okay? But we got... Oh, wait. I wanted the freaking... Wait. Let's do this. Status. See, I have enough runes for a level. My vigor's at 23. My strength is 35. My dex is 25. My vig's 22. That's pretty good for me. Because I usually... And my endurance is at 18. Inventorio. 1,200. And what I say I need, those are 1,200 each. Status 1,200. I need 2,600. So I need 2.5. We'll take 3. Inventorio. Bang. Inventorio. I'll try bang again. Bang. Use. No. Inventorio. I clicked too fast, guys. Now we need 2, right? Selected number 2. There we go. All right, guys. Perfect. Okay, I probably got way too many. Guys, I'm literally doing this. I ain't fighting no freaking reindeer 22 big. Who the hell am I? Freaking Superman? I'm not. It's just 1 point, guys. But you know what? We don't have to worry about our runes either. Big 18. There we... Thought I was at 22. Oh, did something wear off? A buff must have wore off. We got the Source Seal too, man. Alright, guys. You went through and liked all of your shorts earlier. Thought were more. There were more. Yeah, no, man. I've only really been pushing the Elden Ring shorts. I might have made some earlier in the year. No, about a year ago. But I've only been really pushing them lately. Now we can go in with one more point of Vig. What freaking wore off, guys? Oh, Golden Vow wore off. What? But I didn't... I don't understand. Well, that was just a health pot. Okay, and then I have this, so we'll drink this. I don't even know what's in it, folks. Okay, here we go. He doesn't heal, guys. He shouldn't be too hard. Oh, that comes quicker. I didn't know that. Okay, that hurt. I try to do the Ash! See, my Vig is low, man. You have another talisman pouch to fill. Yeah, I don't think I have any talismans, Kevin. I haven't been playing a game. I went right to Renala and went right to I think might have done Carrier Manor too. So I can look, but I don't think I have it. Antoine says, I can't believe I missed that checkmate with 21 seconds left in the game. I usually catch that. Well, the fact that you run a 7th rank, that's kind of a 7th rank kind of checkmate, but I'll tell you this, I didn't see it either. And I'm the one that created it. Because I pushed my pawn. You know what I'm saying? So, I wouldn't beat yourself up too bad. Let's check our... Okay, I do have other stuff. I mean, anything is good. Enhances stamina, reducing attacks against blockers. Enhances charge attacks, raises focus. I'm not doing charge attacks. I could try and do charge attacks. It's probably going to get me hit. I might be able to do that. But guys, I'm a little bit squishy. A little bit squishy. So yeah, I just don't have any good talismans yet. Whoa. Can a guy traverse the mist? There we go. Can't believe I missed it. Yeah. No, it's nothing, man. It's nothing. It's nothing. Okay, so I can't get hit, basically, is what you're saying. All right. We'll try it. I don't think I have enough runes to worry about them, but here I go. Well, 1,300. How? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to try and do the Ash. I think the Ash is losing. I went through and like, oh yeah, so Billy, thanks for that, man. Thanks for doing that. Thought there were more. Yeah, I was trying to do the weapon art, guys. The Ash or whatever it's called on the yeah, not happening. Gonna have to be a little more careful for that. I mean, I was doing much better the first attempt, so we'll give it another shot. No! There we go. Okay, now I just have to do like no hit kind of stuff. And I can't probably really, it's not my strongest point. If you guys know me. I gotta remember faster, guys. I think I should top off. Even though it's a bad start. Come on, reindeer boy. I try to roll it. Yeah, I'm too squishy. Oh, I mean, okay, I got hit 3 times in a row there. Hit him in his bull balls. Stay under him and aim for the sleigh bells. I'll try it. I'll try to keep believe it. Yeah. I mean, I got hit 3 times in a row, guys. That's like this, you know. Okay, so that's how you kick. Too much blood stuff. Doing better. Yeah, staying under him. Yeah, I just have to I think I gotta do like 2 attacks or something. Maybe sometimes 3. Okay, he hit me there. More poopies is good. If he does like this, I can take him out, guys. Wow. I jumped that, guys. The deer seems more aggressive than usual. Well, I usually I could take another hit. I think I might need to do something else and come back to this. I mean, I don't know. With the summon, this is just making me... It's just telling me it's just not going to be easy. You know what I'm saying? And I am getting hit. It's like, stop getting hit so bad, Charlie, and you won't have so many problems. I do feel like that was a one-shot, though. The first one, I think I dodged, and the second one, I think hit me full and killed me. I think other times I was two-shot. But then one time he hit me 3 times in a row, so that would have been a 3-shot. So it's hard to say, guys. No runes for me. Okay, we get some hits off. Shouldn't have done... Okay, he hit me there. We're not doing much damn. That worked out really well. Because while he was doing that, I was whacking on him. I missed one, but... I think I need to do charge attack there, guys. That worked out really well. This is nice. Nice breaks, guys. Nice breaks. Once you stop getting hit by every attack, fight changes, right? I can stam. Stam. That was like a whole freaking... I don't think I hit him once in that whole... You got some blue poopy for me, buddy? Show me the blue poopy. I got patience. Got him. Yeah, man. Yep. I just had to realize I'm not allowed to get hit too much. You know what I'm saying? That worked. 13,000. Good. We're real close to another level. Or maybe 2. Thank you, Winston. Yeah. That was better, huh? I learned kind of how to fight him a long time ago, and then, you know, you do 8 playthroughs where you can just basically face tank him. You know what I mean? And so then when you get back to where you have to not face tank him, it's a little bit different. What was the level again? Level up. Okay. I'm gonna put it in Vig. I'm gonna get Vig up to 20, I think. Now I need 7, and I think we have it. Leave. Inventorio. I need about 7K, guys. 7K. That gave me... Ooh. 24. So now I need... 46. Inventorio. I'm not going to have it. I need 46, folks. What do we get? So now I need 3K, but there's a big stack coming up, folks. 3K. Select a number. All 7. 3K. 2,800. Guys, we're going broke. We're going broke. I don't know if that's going to be it, guys. It's so close. Good game. Look who's the soul player. Dude, if you just don't give yourself... Look at that. I need freaking 400 freaking runes, man. Do we have remembrances? I do, and this will give me a couple levels. I don't think I'm going to use anything from Ranalala. And I don't think I use anything from the Grafted. Let's just burn the Grafted. Oh, that sucks, because now we're, like, really close to 3 levels. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and burn this one, too. Screw it. Because, like I said, I think I'm a little low-leveled right now. Or at least I know I'm low-vigged. For my skill set, folks. 1, 2. We'll put the Vig there. Strength and Dex are both at... Oh, wait. I don't know where... What do we, What exactly are we... Is it strength? I'm sure strength and Dex, but I want to see what the scaling is. D, strength, C, Dex. So we should be favoring the Dex over the strength, guys. So I'll put a little bit in Dex. Okay, here we go. Put a little bit in Dex. Level up. What do we put in Dex? Do we put 2 in Dex? I mean, I put 2 points. I still feel like 21 Vig is like, at this late in the game, I feel weird. Still early. Going with it. Going with it. Because we just killed the reindeer. Maybe it'll make us better playing with lower Dex. Right, guys? They need to have a bull balls. Something in the DLC we can throw and trip people up. Oh, a bull balls boa. I don't know, man. We got a few levels. We got a few things done. Let's get the hell out of here. And we don't... Look at all these graces we have over here. Why? Oh, that was to get the... Yeah, that was getting our weapon and stuff. That's got nothing to do with real life. Have we done the main ore yet? We haven't done Carrion Manor yet, guys. And there's no more ever... That's like the Black Knife. Oh, no, this is... Is this the Peninsula? That's Limgrave. We haven't gone to the Peninsula yet. And Forlorn's the one we did, but we haven't done any of the Peninsula yet. So maybe we'll head down that way. They need to have a Bull Balls Ebola. Okay, that'd be good. That'd be good. That'd be good. The poker does slap, guys. And one thing... Oh, yeah, we'll go kill like a red dog or something, right? How do we get there, though? We need to get on the road. Oh, yeah, you got to go across the Candy Cane Bridge, guys. Why would anyone ever want to jump up here? I feel like you would only want to jump down from there. Calm down there, Turbo. No one loves you. Okay. Okay. Roa fruit. I'll take it. I remember the first time I came here, guys. I was horrified. There's loot over here. Oh, my God. You guys want to do the quest? Oh, my God. I just drank. I just drank. I went to pick up the freaking pretty butterflies. You guys want to do the quest for the girl? You know, send a message to her dad. Then her dad can, like, totally deny her stuff. That'd be pretty cool, huh? Might as well. Oh, some people were watching shorts today. Some people were watching something, man. I had a nice little spike today, guys. But, you know, the more content you put up, the more action you get, the more action you get. You know what I'm saying? And I'm starting to see some, and it's pretty cool.
His servant, they've since come. I fear it's least. Would you mind my soul, please? Tell him, please.
You just gotta keep the attitude. What I mean by that is, do something, right? Do something. Like, Morn, Castle Morn. Should we get a Morning Star? That would be dumb. What is this? Is it worth it? Strip. You run through like a bunch of dogs. We don't need Mighty Shot, right? guys? What if we want Mighty Shot for later? Now we got Mighty Shot, guys. Gotta have Mighty Shot on every character. What if I got a cheese in the all or something? Shoot him through the freaking... through the malarkey. You guys want to try this freaking Knight's Cav? Oh, I was gonna... yeah, I did kill that. I was gonna say I was gonna kill that. Should we just do a kill every vendor playthrough, guys? I don't usually do that. I might have already blown it. You know what? From here on out, we're killing every vendor there is. Every vendor gets melted. Sorry, buddy. Get back over here. Get back over here. I'm responsible for you starving to death. There you go. Dude, they don't really die. They go to a little place called Vendor Heaven, guys. They go to a place called Vendor Heaven. They really do. It's actually better. Nice Cav, another level. We're going to find out. Think it'd be harder than reindeer? Past time. Until the night falls. I could buff up. I might be able to take him. It just might take a long time because I'm going to miss a lot of attacks that I normally would be able to. There's no way! He got right on me that quick. I could have probably hit him right there, huh? That was dumb. Hit me! Yeah, I don't even care. I got health pots. Now, can I do this? Does that work? The horse is almost dead, guys. Like that? Is that how you do it, folks? That wasn't a problem, was it? Got him. Yeah, so I figured out a way to put the ash on him. I hit him. I might have hit him with it once or twice. Almost out of the level, but we don't. That's okay. He got pooped on, man. Now this weapon is a higher level weapon. Like there's stuff over here. There's tears. There's freaking golden seeds, man. There's all kinds of stuff, guys. We need this stuff. We don't have any of that stuff. We don't have any of it, folks. We didn't play the early game. We jumped right to the late early game. So we're going to do a little bit of early game. Collect. Can we jump up here? Just barely. Ooh, this guy that drops a dagger. You know the guy I'm talking about? Guys. It's either too hot in here, I'm sweating, or it's so cold I have a freaking headache. One or the other. There's no mid ground, guys. Okay. Going in. The guy by the bridge. This guy. I'm going to pretend he's not that strong because I'm going to try and hit him like I hit the other guy. Wow. No dagger? Nope. Maybe next time. I gave him too much respect. I'm glad I didn't freaking flask for the fool. Isn't there like a dungeon down there or something? What's up, buddy? How you doing today? Guys, I'm poor. I need the runes. We're going to the church, folks. We're going up to the church. Take me down to the little white church. Take me down. This guy's going to get mad. I figure I can hit more of them if there's a bunch of them. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to aim. It's like shooting into a crowd, you know? Basically. Okay, let's get the grace. Let us grab the sacred tear. Ooh, there's an Everjail here, guys. Which one is it? Do you guys remember? Is it the Bloodhound or something? Sacred tear. They make you click E-OK. Why would they do that? It's annoying. Isn't there a catacomb over here or something? This is a first playthrough, guys. Although I know But what do... So basically, I mean... The no summons players... Do they still do catacombs? Or do they be like... I don't need that. I don't need that in my life. I don't like gloveworts. I mean, I don't know. What's wrong with the freaking glovewort, man? There's a little dungeon. Is there a little boss at the end and stuff? Having bandits, curved swords, farm... Flashbacks. Yeah, I got one, Billy. I got one on one of my characters, man. You know what's gonna suck? Little green dudes. They're throwing fireballs at me, guys. I feel like there's fake walls here somewhere, guys. I feel like Indiana Jones should have a trap here somewhere. A little slow. Okay. Nothing here. Now I gotta wait again. Human bone shard. Might want to hold on to that one. I almost stood in the actual poopy. There you go. I'd like to turn the fire on and have that guy get whacked. Where's the... They don't come up until I... No! I hate this guy. Fire from above, man. He's a great annoyer. There you go. Okay, got it. We leave that fire on, guys. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Think we're gonna get killed? We might if we don't heal. Right here? You guys know what I'm talking about, right? This guy. Wow, he missed me, guys. How he missed me, I'll never know. Came for the glovewort, buddy. In case I ever want to make a set of dogs or something. I'm always running on the side because I'm afraid of the Indiana Jones ability. Tries to loot that, doesn't loot it. Where's the front door? Wilma. Okay, here we go. We could top off. I should hit that again. Wait. One. Can we just get in there? What is this? Got him. Gotta dance. I'm still not 1,000,000% comfortable with that ash, but I'll take it. See, there's a level. Now we're slowly getting caught up to ourselves, guys. There we go. Feel good about that. We can go knock out this Everjail. Is there a Grace on the way? Grace? There is. There's a Grace at the bottom of these cliffs, but how do we get down without... Well, we almost found out. We almost messed around and found out, folks. We almost fooled around and fell in love. You know what I'm saying? We should get the Axe Talisman, right? That's not the one I have, is it? I have it. Okay, hey, mushrooms, guys. Might want to hold on to them. I know there's a Grace over here because I always come over here to farm. What was I farming? Fireflies or something? You guys know the Firefly? Is it the Firefly farm? You run from here and you run around town. You go to Little Lake. You get an octopus heart too if you want it. Blasphemous Blade was pretty nasty with that. With those things. Do you ever have a problem with the freaking octopuses? You're making a blood boil aromatics. You need the octopus hearts. Or the, is that what they're called? You know what I'm talking about. Blasphemous Blade just freaking hits those things. Breaks your poise like forget about it. Okay, moving forward. We are going to be now... Is this a church? Looks like a church, but there's no stuff here, is there? Is there like bad guys in here? Is there sacred tears in here? The Fourth Church of Marika. Interesting. I'll take it. I didn't just know this was the church with the tear, guys. I just didn't know. I didn't know for a fact. You know what I'm saying? Lascuses. There we go. Cancel. Let me out of here, Wilma. Okay. Okay. It'd be great if we could get a map. I think there's a... Well, as people say, as people claim, there is a basement in every ruins. It's just our job to find it, folks. Would have been really cool to find it while we're... Oh, there it is. Okay, let me in. Oh, it's just this lady. These guys will follow you downstairs. Yeah. She's inconsolable, guys. These guys sometimes will come in and just start whacking on me. Where are they? Told you. I'm trying to talk to the inconsolable lady. Oh, here's another one. Dude, this one's got arrows. What? Okay, is there like 4 more of you, or can I talk to the inconsolable lady? She's just gonna talk gibberish anyway, so don't. If you guys miss it, don't feel bad. Don't get upset or anything. Arg. There we go. Sorry, lady. I'm really sorry, man. I would totally get her out of there too. But I think she, if I remember, one time a long time ago, when I was stupid, I actually read what she said, and I'll tell you right now, I don't remember it being much. What the hell is going on over there? Oh yeah, there's a thing over here, but where's the Ever Jail? I don't have the freaking map. I have a feeling I'm near the Ever Jail. This really sucks. This guy sells a lantern. Do we have a lantern? We're going to take a look right now. See if we bought a lantern, guys. We do. We have a lantern. Okay, that's good. I don't like to run around without a lantern, folks. It can be a little bit annoying.
Well, it's been
What you got, buddy? Guess what, sir? I'm very interested in telling you. We're having a sale on murder today, and you're the lucky third customer. Sorry, buddy. It was not personal. I just wanted your freaking ball bearing. I just wanted your ball bearing. Okay. Thank you. Now I'll see, when I get back to the house, I'll see what you had to sell. Yeah, I feel like the isn't there ever jail over here, guys? There's not. I don't see worms. Nope. Huh. I should have got the map, guys. That's where we failed. Where's the freaking map? It's right here. Wow, well, we could port back. Let's grab the map. I feel much better with the map, folks. I'm not a real big, sit around and not freaking know where the hell I am kind of guy. There we go. We go, yep, follow the road, Castle Morn. Once we look at the map, if I see the Ever Jail, we'll go knock it out. If there is one, there was one. Ever Jail is at the top right side of the peninsula. La, 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 la. Top right. Top. Now. Oh my god, I forgot where I am. The guy who's a million miles away is shooting stuff at me. It's not going to let me look at my map. I'm getting the hell out of here. I'm going back to where I can look at my map now that I earned it. I earned this map. I should be able to look at it. Yeah, he's still shooting. Whoa. Let me hang out here because I'm a little bit scared right now by the vendor. Where is he? Oh no. I turned him into a ball bearing. Just rest then. Will that shut him up? This is one we already did, right? Is it right here? It's right here. Right? I knew I was close to it, guys. I don't even know which one is in here, guys. Is this the one that does the... Is this the Frost Lady one? That does the... Can a guy get on a horse? I mean, it's a video game. Jeez Louise. Is this the one that does the frost stuff? If it is, I might be able to zerg her down quick. Weeping. Enter the... Oh, wait. It's all... You gotta kick. You gotta kick before you can kick. Here we go. Wish me luck, folks. Entering Everjail. And we have a full level. Oh, but when you die at Everjail, they, Oh, I don't even know what's here, guys. A little bit scared. Die! He's one hit. You're one hit. If you kill me, I'm gonna be so mad. Gotcha! Gotta dance. I'll tell you, I've had a hard time killing that dude before. I'm not even gonna lie. I got videos. Is that sword still better than the one I'm wearing right now? Death Poker is it's a very high level weapon, folks. Now, Equipmentorio. What if we replace this? This does raises attributes, but also increases, greatly raises. Yeah, see, Radagon's is better. Okay, fair enough. So we got that done. I think there is a church, like over. There's probably a couple churches down here, guys. Right? Is there a couple churches down here, guys? Because, I mean, should not be getting golden seeds. Gotta dance. I feel like there's an Erd tree. Is there going to be an Erd tree avatar? Can we get something for our magical physics? I feel like there's a church up here, but is it like a dead church where there's like nothing there or something? Like a loser's church? The church says, come to our church. We have nothing for you. You know what I'm talking about? Because that's what I feel like I'm going Whoa. I feel like I'm going somewhere for nothing. I feel like there's something up here. What is it? It's a church with the big rats. It's a madness church, folks. Now I know what it was. Those flowers are so pretty. There's a little town right here. You guys got any... Alpine Village. I love it. Flame Crest Shield. Cool. Might want to sell that. Oh, the rats with the funny eyes, guys. Okay, I say we go ahead and do what we promised we were going to do. And that was get the message to the girl's dad. Right? That's what we all agreed. I wanted to do chat picks, and then we got stuck here doing this. Do you guys have... Whoa. Okay, you guys have any... do you guys want to get involved? I wanted to do chat picks, and the minute I got on this character... I should have just started a new one, but the minute I got on this character, I'm like, I have to get some levels. So then we... Look, why is my face so dark? We didn't make the face that dark, guys. He got sunburned. I swear. I'm trying to zoom on him. I don't remember that. Do you guys have anything you think we should do? Should I go down? I think there might be a catacomb or something down there. Am I right? Go do the castle. I do actually have a Sacred Broadsword +2 with Golden Bow on it. I could like switch to that crappy weapon if that was something you wanted to do. Is there? Whoa. I don't even know where I am right now, guys. I don't even know where I am. Billy, what do you think, man? You had a great idea to get the Death Poker. That was the a solid thing that we did on this run so far. I mean, we killed some bosses too, and it was fun. Billy says, if you're doing exactly what you need to, come a time where you need to just play the game a bit and get some levels. If you go to carry or precipice, you will die. Will I die? Yeah, I guess... Like, when he started today, I think it was like level 37 or something. That is too low for Carria, huh? Little bit. Oh, God. Little bit too low for Carria. Yeah, and I usually do Carria Manor before Renala, right? Is that what you do? So I definitely got a few levels. I mean, we're at... status. We're at level 45 right now. Little different. With this weapon, although soloing it, I don't know. But I would think I could take Renala right now, don't you? No? Well, my thing is, I just feel like my Vig is like 26, maybe. Ren la 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 la. Should I take him out, folks? That guy is the most noise for the easiest kill that I can think of in the game. You know what I mean? I think that dude makes a lot of noise. And I think he dies way too fast for as much noise as he makes. And when I say noise, I mean also as much damage as he freaking does with those arrows, right? Would that guy even... Ooh. See, this is something I need to do too, like just leveling up my flasks, right? That's something that kind of got neglected. So I want to level up my flasks a little bit. I think it's a good manunu. I think it's a good manunu. Then this guy, it will be a little bit more ready for carry a man, or should we get like another weapon? You know, and so we could have like 2 weapons. I do have the broadsword +2 with the golden bow on it. It took 2 hits, guys. Smithing stone 1 or smithing stone 2s, right? Because I could like use those to level up my broadsword, man. Is there a pumpkin? Oh, flower, butterflowers. I forgot about the frost. I forgot about the frost. You know that? God, I just flashed up by accident. That wasn't the worst thing that I've ever done. I think I've got this loot before, but like not every time. I think we should start the family Ed's flail from Sage's Cave as a secondary weapon, as a ghost flame, rancor, ash of war. That sounds pretty good, but that's Sage's Cave is Altus, right? But we'll be getting there in a little bit. I mean, I say in a little bit. Yeah, like you said, the rune, whatever precipice might be a little bit hot for me right now, but maybe not. Get killed. It's right after the precipice. Yeah, right outside the door. You kind of go down a. Yeah, you go ahead and praise stuff. I'm out of here. I gotta go see someone's dad. I gotta talk to someone's dad. Okay. There we go. They don't usually follow you up here, huh? My daughter, your daughter, my daughter, your daughter, my daughter, your daughter. Come with me. No, I can't. Okay, tell her goodbye. Here's a twig. Here's a twig, buddy. Okay, there. I'm able to summarize all of these conversations, guys, in a very digestible format that's very easy to understand. You know what I'm saying? You guys feeling that? There's probably loot down there. This guy. You shot me. Wilma! Can he come out? Looks like he's not allowed to. Hey, maybe there's a trinket over here for us, guys. Seems like every time I come for this trinket, it's not for me. You know the one up top, right? Let's give it a shot, guys. Maybe we'll get lucky. This guy could be a little bit of a hard nose. Well, he didn't seem to be a problem. Cutting to the chase in the dialogue department. Yeah, Trey, that's what you got to do, man. That's what you got to do. Twin Blade Talisman. What does that do? Enhances final hit of chain attacks. Yeah, not really my cup of tea on this guy. I'm not really chain attacking, folks. I was so afraid to make this jump first playthrough, right? Remember, you're like, is it too far? I don't know. And you finally make the jump. And then this looked like a shorter drop than this. But this is the way you want to go. And this is actually a way shorter drop. But my whole Elden Ring life, I've been dropping off the wrong side of that. Maybe there's loot over there or something? I don't know. Okay. This is your first introduction to poopy drops. The exit is right there, right? Too many rats. Let me out of here, Wilma. The rats will come. I'm watching across. Okay, I think we're safe. Red dog is going to be a challenge, folks. Well, he's not a red dog. He jumps around like a red dog. So we shall see. Trey says, Trey! Trey, you can't say Trey. I thought someone else was saying Trey. Whoa. There's a summons here, huh? That is so funny. Who is it? Drew! Okay. I think we're just going to go ahead and buff up and run in and kill this guy. This guy's really fast, though, and I don't know, man. I feel like I have a slow weapon. I feel like I don't know what to do. But we got the gold vow, so that'll be good. Let's go. The band is here. Well, that's gonna hurt. Okay. 20,000 runes on the floor in there. I should have took 2 levels, folks. I almost want to get the summons just to get my runes out, but I would have to kill the guy though. So we're gonna call the level is gone. The 2 levels they're gone. What? I didn't rest? Yeah, it's right here. I never got a shot off, guys. I tried to put an ash on that fool. That was the start of the end, but I think I'm still too squishy. Never had any issues with that guy. Really, Billy? On a melee thing solo for me, man. This is not, well, we'll see. We'll see. I've had many issues with this guy. I gotta dodge. I gotta pick my spots. I gotta remember the range that I have. Oh, I didn't get him. Okay, there we go. I'm not playing the range, Billy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, craft a great braid sword. I got 2 of them now, folks. Oh, no, I had... Wait, that's my first one on this character. I tried to use the ash. It got me killed. Hit the ash as you walk in, and he's dead. What? So you're saying I just, like, walk in the door... I walk in the door and target him. And then I go like this. And then just hit it. It's like, use it like a blasphemous blade. Basically. I didn't know that. I didn't know it was allowed. I don't know if I was allowed to do that. Well, I got a big 4,000 runes for that, but you know what? That guarantees 2 more levels, folks. I feel like I should be leveling endurance, too. Yeah, man, still crush it. Yeah, I got it on a second try. Got it on a second try. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's very similar to Blasphemous Blade. Yeah. Blasphemous Blade you could do in one shot, though, right? This one you gotta... Wait. It works. Oh yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take our levels now so we don't forget. He would walk right into it trying to attack you and burn to death. Wow. Okay. Endurance. I don't... Guys, I'm so close. I'm gonna put a point in endurance. And inventory. I know we picked up some runes. What? We hardly picked up any runes? Okay, let's see what these have to offer. See what they have to offer, folks. So, how do you make... Oh, wait. How do you make the Michaela build, guys? So, what is a Michaela build? Michaela. How do you do that? Like, can you make it look just like Michaela? What did I say? I put one in endurance. Going back to endurance, too. How do you, like, I think there's a weapon called Michaela's Blade, right? I'm guessing that probably would be the one. Where do you even get that? And then is there something for the clothes? Or is there something for the clothes like for the expansion? Like on my thumbnail? Like, didn't Drew make one of those or something?
Hey!
How do you do that? Oh, now I gotta go tell the girl that her dad's dead or something? Or actually, I just gotta go see her dead corpse, right? She's right by the bridge from Sacrifice. The water is flowing. Gotta dance. It's a St. Trina's sword and sleep build-up weapon. So is that sleep build that Trey just made? I mean, that Drew just made?
The foul, I'll hunt them, rest assured. The foul, I'll hunt them, rest assured.
She's dead. Okay.
The foul, I'll hunt them, rest
Go wait.
assured. Arena, it will be...
Wait. It doesn't say she's dead. She's dead. Oh, there it does. She's dead. She's dead. Okay, 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 she's dead. Okay. Wow. I guess I get the message.
I'll find them. The foul wretch is responsible.
There you go. Someone came along the road and just killed her. These are lands between, man. This is not like it's some nice neighborhood. This is not a nice neighborhood. Do we rest and she's gone or something? Or is this just done? Is it over? Do we already win? Do we already get paid? Do we get a level up, guys? Is there a way to, like, take the summons off of your screen? Are they still going to be there? He's gone. Yep, she's dead. Well, guys, there's nothing more we can do for her. Oh, we were at freaking Sophia River. We didn't run to Fort Haight and grab that. That's a huge lift. We can go do that. We can go get the medallion, the huge lift. And I can't believe I was down there already and didn't grab the freaking grace. I went and got the axe talisman, guys. This is probably the third time in this playthrough I've run this direction. Should be able to avoid that by more careful planning. You know what I'm saying? What are you doing right now, Billy? Are you gaming? Are you playing right now, too? I think Trey's playing with Caleb, right? Now, after you talk to a pop at Castle Moran, Papa will invade you at Revenger's Shack. I got to go back to Castle Moran and see him on the roof? Is that what you're telling me, Billy? Go back to where I talked to him the first time? And talk to him again? And tell him your daughter died? You know, you never know, guys. You never know. Might want it for later. Oh. Looking. Just want to grab the grace. Hey. What you doing? The demi-human Rex Roth, now their mother's been taken. Well, those little guys don't look like it would steal anybody's mother. They seem like sweet little, pretty nice little guys. Little monkey men. I'm not gaming right now. I got the day off, so I did my gaming earlier. Nice. And yes, you talk to him again and he gives you something. I forget what. Yeah, remember. Isn't it a trinket or something? I could go back now. I mean, I don't have to do anything but run straight into him. You know what I mean? And we got to grace the door, right? I don't have to kill a pumpkin head. Have we been here yet? No, we haven't. Seems like I was just here yesterday, folks. Grabbing this freaking tear. Running past a pumpkin head. Wow, he almost hit me, guys. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even trying to be dramatic. See, the thing is, there I couldn't get it off, guys. Now we got rats. Yeah, there I couldn't get it off because he was too close. But on the other boss, he was so far away. I probably could have. You're saying I probably could have got it off. You don't have to go. It's up to you. I'm sure it's not that important. Millennia. You're a Millennia? Oh yeah, dude. I'm not doing Millennia tonight, man. Thanks, but I don't want to. I had enough of that for a minute. I had enough of that for, like, what, tonight's Friday? When? I'd rather be prepared for it somewhat. Or maybe a little bit later, man. You know what? How about a little bit later, man? It's still early. If you guys are still playing, I just want to get a little bit of this guy moving. Whoa. Why you do that to me, bro? You guys don't want to jump in the Millennia, huh? Well, I guess I could take a minute. I ran one of my characters to Millennia last night, Reduvia Daggers. So I have a Millennia actually to do now, too, which would be cool. We could do Drew's. Whoa. We could do Drew's, and we could do mine. Whoa. Wilma. I said Wilma. You know what Wilma means, right? Get me out of here. Whoa, I don't usually loot that. Glowstone. Cool. Might want to hold on to that one, folks. Big cliff. Not that bad. Let me see. Castle Morn Lift. Here we go. You could play till 11:30. All right, man. I'm trying to think which Millennia I'd rather get it. They really don't matter. You know why? I almost want to do Reduvia Dagger before Millennia, before Lightning build Millennia, is because the Reduvia Dagger is so fun. I'm almost ready to just NG plus again and start playing again. Dude, the Dagger Stagger was not fair on Moog. Moog got freaking. I'm like, what's wrong with him? Why isn't he going into phase 2? He was going. That was freaking awesome. All right. Second verse, same as the first. We're going to just run right through, folks, like we own the place. If you just act like you own the place, no one will bother you. Okay, Pumpkinhead and this freaking little freak pumpkin pie haircutted sisters. This guy right here. What's the matter? You don't like the fire? If you can't stand the heat, stay out of the kitchen, buddy. I'm just going to top off because I got nothing to do here but go see a dude. What's up? Hey, Dragon Blood Sir, what's up? Dude, were you here last night, man? I feel like you weren't. I remember looking for you. Or maybe, did you come toward the end? It's good to see you, man. What are you up to? I'm going back to the dad. If you know what that means. I already went and saw him once. Okay, stop running for a second. Get some stam. Oh, so you lose stam when you land? I was not. Yeah. I noticed too late. Well, dude. Glad you made it tonight, man. Welcome back, my friend. Hope all is well in your life. Today is, Thursday night, not Friday night. He's gone. Okay, so where is he? Where do you think he is? Maybe I was supposed to go see him before I rested? Billy? Because I remember, too, he gives you like a trinket or something. But I think it was right here. I think maybe I shouldn't have rested. Now I'm mad. Now I'm going to freaking come down here and put down a... You got something to say? Didn't think so. Oh, you got a sister. What's up? Is that your sister? Was that your sister? There you go. Beautiful Thursday night. We have, yeah. Revenge. Oh, I thought you said I had to go back and talk to him. Then he will invade me or something. But either way, it doesn't matter. I was just trying to complete the story or what have you. I also feel like I didn't go... Is this the same... This is You Could Fall, right? Yeah, okay, I know where I am. I feel like I don't loot in here as often as I should have. Maybe there's a reason. Because there's nothing here. Okay. Get me out of combat. No one's chasing me. No one's even thinking about me. No one's dreaming about me. No one's... Okay, I feel pretty good about a lot of this. I know I didn't do all of it. Whoa. The hell was that? Yeah, so my Reduvia Daggers is at Melenanana. I want to think about if I should start getting my... Oh, these guys are showing up, dude. Why didn't it work? No mana? Thought there was a second sister. These guys are annoying, man. Can you drop off here? I don't think you can. Now I can't pour it out because I freaking made the little monkey, the little freaking... These little things. Oh, those things are freaking strong too, bro. I could die right now. Okay, we're just going to get away. Ooh, dude, if we ever look down here. There's a little spot. I guarantee someone tried to jump onto that. Whoa. Okay, I'll look. What? To get out of combat, I'll come over here and look down. Sorry, Charlie. This is a difficult Godric. Sorry for what? Trey says, I dream about you, Charlie. Aw, Trey. That's nice. I got the wrong bug. Okay. Kalid's still out of the question. The question now is, are we man enough for some... We could also Prawn Rodrica. And get our invitation from when we get to Altus, and then we can just, when we got a straight, it's south west, right? Did we buy the necklace yet?
What are you trying to start?
No, I haven't talked to Rodriga. She hasn't begged me for the necklace yet, guys. And they say, buy the telescope. You gotta remember it's by the telescope, guys, because I always forget it's by the telescope. You guys are having trouble with Godric? What's the problem? Run to him when his hand turns on fire. I don't know what to tell you. It's not hard.
Hello.
Hello, Rodriguez.
Hello. Please. It's rather my mistress. But I was a. Could I ask that thug only if you've. Oh, to bless a thug, please.
See a mushroom.
Please stop, brave tarnished.
See?
You will only tire by striking this barrier. Besides, I am no.
I didn't. Have you ever? Has anyone ever done that before? Where she freaks out like I was hitting her? What level is the poker right now? Yeah, we could level the poker up too. I'll tell you in a second. I wonder if I have enough money to buy this freaking I could kill him for it, right? But then I can't get the broiled prawns, right? But I can kill him for it, right? But I also know that he's not a pushover, is
You
he?
trying to start? Piss off.
Give me the necklace.
Show me, and I'll consider. I'm not in love with. You're a shrew. First.
Purchase 1,000. 1,000. You know why I shouldn't do that? Because I'm just I kind of like running to Volcano Manor for the Falling Star Beast, right, guys? Oh, the poker equipment Dorio. That's poker plus 3. Doesn't he sell 2, 3s, and 4s or something? On the way to on the road to the manor. So we could probably head that way, right? Well, I look at the map, folks. But I'm gonna need money. I'm gonna need a few bucks. I'm gonna need some walking around money.
Please. Oh, thank you. Did I forget? I see you are very to study such. Please. Brave. Most time you are the volcano.
So if I go to jump out the window, she feels like I'm attacking her or something? Or is it just the window behind her?
At the lid instead. At the base, it was X. I have faith. I do hope that.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go collect my mushroom that I keep staring at. You know, like you're talking to someone and like you see something behind them and you keep staring at it? That was me and the mushroom. I dream and daydream about Charlie. Wow, it's becoming a contest, folks. I'm having daydreams about night things in the middle of the afternoon. Well, my hands, the foot from the French fries. Where the hell is the next map frag? Is it? It's over here, huh? I think we should go from the French fries to the Carrier Manor. In my dreams, every time I'm riding my horse, I'm listening to Stream Rock. Dude, that is freaking awesome. My nose is freaking itching. We're gonna go to. We've already gone up. I think we've gone up. The 4. No, I would have the Grace. We haven't gone to the 4 French fries yet, right? No. We're going to the 4 French fries, and then we're going to try and get back on the road to the Carrier Manor, and we're going to get the freaking, a freaking map frag so we can see what the hell's going on, right? For starters. I'm not good without a map, guys. Trooper chair for you guys. Just 1 minute. Where is it? All right, guys, Trooper Cam's over. I know Trooper Cam gets more screen time, more content time than I get more viewers. Phones back on. I should put the phones on. Let's get some phones, some big oversized phones for Trooper Cam. What do you guys think about that? I think I'm dehydrated, guys. I think I didn't drink enough bottles of water today, so I can't get away from it. You know what I mean? Can't get away from it, folks. Okay, we're going to take a ride to the top of what we like to call here at Charlie Sardo Gaming the 4 French fries. That usually begins a talk about food, which I could probably do. What did I have? I had a taco. No, you guys, I ate pretty big breakfast / lunch. I had 3 eggs and a piece of ham for breakfast / lunch. And then, whoa, loot. And only then, for dinner, I went and got 1 large brisket taco. And it's not like a teeny tiny taco, but it's not like a huge taco. Whoa, we gotta go all the way up. I always go to the wrong one. You guys need the fletched arrows, guys. You gotta make fletched arrows. Here's where you get the feathers, right here. See them? See them? Wait. You actually start right here. You come over here. You shoot these 2. These 3. You run over here. You pick them up. You run over here. You shoot these 3. Does anyone have a better way to do this? You shoot these. And then you do it again. And 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 again. So you're freaking crazy, right? Have we rested? 623 runes. Probably not going to have enough for a... I burned a stone seed. Oh, no, this is imbued. This is imbued. Guys, we're going to burn an imbued stone sword key for the end game, folks. Just to open up the chicken farm. No reason. Coffee cam and troop cam. Banter, they don't bicker. Yeah, I couldn't read the whole word banter, but I read through the lines. Okay, this is in case we need maiden's blood, guys. No reason. I'm just going to say at some point in the game, I'm going to become some man's little lamb chop. And, oh, no. Don't want to go there now. Okay, now we got to go back down. We got to go to Rotokiri Manor. We don't have any freaking money. Maybe we could loot. Maybe we could kill some stuff. I mean, in this game, I guess looting, sometimes you get runes, but it's like, in killing stuff you get runes, but it's a lot of work, man. It's a lot of work. Trooper Chair has always been Charlie's biggest supporter. Yeah. No, I actually work for Trooper Chair. Trooper Chair gets the viewers, man. Most people are here for the Chair de la Trooper, okay? Or is it just my de la soul? I don't freaking know. It is truly, he literally puts him off the ground. See, lifts him up off the ground. Dude, Trooper Chair lifts me up so I can climb on mountains. Trooper Chair is the wind beneath my wings. Okay, that was freaking. Man, that's some late night stuff right there. Yeah. I told you I'm dehydrated. I told you I shouldn't stream when I'm dehydrated. Guys, sleep pots. Now that I constantly pick up Trina's lilies, crack pots, not wacky at all, no way. Oh, man. Yeah, this spell over here is like a glintstone spell or something, huh? It's not for me. This one here, I thought I could afford it. Oh, we're dead. Well, 623 runes. See what I'm saying? I mean, like, I knew I was dead. Because I'm getting hit, so I'm going to die. That doesn't mean I shouldn't be able to kill Loretta without help. Wow. I have to run all the way back from the 4 French fries. Trooper Chair is the wind beneath my wings. Yeah, Trooper Chair. You love it. It's good. It's my first gaming chair, folks. I bought them like a couple months after I started streaming. With like the first 200 bucks. The first 200 bucks I made streaming, guys, I bought the Trooper Chair. Because I still had every full-time job and everything. You know what I'm saying? 6 months later, not so much. 6 months later, I quit my day job, folks. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? And I'll tell you this. Greatest thing I ever did. Because I love my day job. There's a Grace down here, right? I want to get the Grace down here. Yeah, Grace at the bottom of the... Wait, I have this one? I do? Huh. I have it. Wow. I could have ported there. Whatevs. Why didn't it send me there? Oh, because maybe it wasn't the last one visited. Sometimes Rip Taylor has been channeled in the stream. Dude, I'm telling you, man. I saw Rip Taylor, like, with my own eyeballs. On my honeymoon. We lived in Southern California. The mother of my children and I. Okay, wait. Runes first or loot first? Where's the runes? I'm gonna die again! I want the runes. Where's the freaking runes? Why did they put them out here? Why are they over here? Horse? Why are they right here? I ran right past them. I didn't die here. If you could put my runes where I died, that would be great. So the mother of my children and I lived in Los Angeles, in LA. And Vegas is a convenient 4-hour drive away. So you go to Vegas for fun. You can go for a day trip. You leave early, get up early in the morning. Day trip. You know, you want to really do it nice. Get up at around 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. Get up, get on the road for a couple hours, get some breakfast. A couple hours later, you're gambling, man. You're there at 8, 9, 10 o'clock, right? You're playing. Play all day, and then, you know, around 5, 6 o'clock, turn around, come home. Or spend one night, whatever you want to do. So Vegas is something that you can do on a regular basis. Well, we were like, what do you want to do on your honeymoon? I don't know. What do you want to do on your honeymoon? I don't know. You want to go to Vegas? Yeah, I want to go to Vegas. I want to go to Vegas. We just went to Vegas. Did Rip Taylor say that? And if you guys don't know who Rip Taylor is, some of you guys might. Is there anyone here who doesn't know who Rip Taylor is or Debbie Reynolds? I feel like Debbie Reynolds might be more famous than Rip Taylor, but I think Rip Taylor is more famous than Debbie Reynolds. You know what? I just don't know. Is this the map frag we've been looking for the... Where have you been my whole life, sweetheart? There we go. There's something somewhere in a hidden poopy floor, I think, right? Is it worth getting for a melee build? So we went on our honeymoon. We stayed at 2 different hotels. Stratosphere and the Debbie Reynolds Hotel. Debbie Reynolds is kind of like... She's kind of like old Hollywood, like Rip Taylor. Okay, wait. Can't just gain control of yourself. Nope. I had the wrong button. How did I know I hit the wrong button. When I hit the right button, it doesn't work, I will tell you. When I hit the wrong button and it doesn't work, I will tell you too. Okay, wait. Oh, it's closer. It's closer because... Wait, there's no way to get down from here, is there, guys? This is just physically closer. There's no way to get down from here, right, guys? You got to go down. You got to bring it around town, right, guys? Watch there be an air spring right here I never knew about. No, there's not. I already knew there wasn't, guys. Okay. Now we're going to run through the malarkey, but the difference is we don't have to loot. So Rip Taylor... He's like a comedian. Older gentleman. I hope he's still alive. I would seriously doubt it. He was alive. He was an older gentleman. Still performing, I want to say vivaciously, because that's what he's got going on. Oh, my God. We got runes, and we're looting. We got the jelly... No, go, 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 go! Is that poison? We got the jellyfish shield, folks. Okay, the runes are up here. So let me just say that Rip Taylor almost talks. He talks in show tune voice. All right, that should give you an idea who Rip Taylor is. And Rip Taylor, he's the kind of guy that wear like a tux and a top hat, and like reach in his pocket and throw glitter around when he talks in show tune voices. Okay, Rip Taylor, true story. Okay, now that you got the vibe on Rip, Debbie Reynolds, I don't know her claim to fame, man. I don't know if she's a famous actress, singer. Truth, do you know what big things Debbie Reynolds did to get famous? But they're both old guard. Like, believe me, they probably know George Burns. You know what I'm saying? George probably was like a mentor to them because George was kind of older than everybody. Pretty much the day George Burns was born, he was older than everybody. Rip always said life is too short to be taken seriously. He served in the Korean War. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. That's my kind of guy. That's my kind of guy. I know a guy, a friend of mine, that recently passed. Recently, God, it's probably 2 years. Passed away. An older gentleman. His name was Rudy. And he was the nicest guy in the freaking world. I freaking love Rudy. And I mean, he's just so peaceful and loving and laughing and happy, and not to say that people who went to not to say people who went to Vietnam like would like need to be like unhappy, not smiling people. But I'm a freaking civilian over here, right? When I start thinking about soldiers in Vietnam, I start thinking about, you know, this friend, I just would have never expected he was there, but he was, man. And I saw a picture of him in Vietnam, guys. And he was wearing he was like a kid, man. He was a kid with a big M16, shirt off, and a German Shepherd. That's my friend Rudy, man. He's older than me. A lot older than me, probably. And just a great picture, man. Seeing him as a kid, man. Debbie was famous actress and businesswoman for 70 years. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. We just got to see what the going rate is and if he has fours. I think he sells 1, 2, 3s.
Well,
Yeah. What do you got to sell, buddy?
An old cotto here.
Yeah. So we went on our... Okay, he has fours. But we probably are going to get some fours from equipment. That's a +3, so we need fours, right? So we went on our honeymoon, and we stayed at the Stratosphere, which looks like the Space Needle. And then we stayed at the Debbie Reynolds Hotel. And the Debbie Reynolds Hotel was just... Oh, that was close, huh? The Debbie Reynolds Hotel was just opening. So it was like a grand opening when we were there. So Debbie Reynolds and her friend Rip Taylor came down to like support, and he was like performing and stuff, and they were like on the microphone in the casino, and Rip Taylor's doing his crazy show tune voice with throwing freaking glitter everywhere. It was I got to see Rip Taylor, man. It was really cool. It was really freaking cool. Okay. I have a feeling the Sombers are going to be a little further along. I think these, maybe the big hands. You think the big hand will give me a Somber 4? That's not going to be a Somber 4, guys. This is a freaking trap. I know not to loot these. Oh, God. If I can't... Okay, well, normally I don't loot. Is that the trap one? I blew it. Dude, can I kill all of them? Well, this one won't die, so I'm dead. I'm dead. I drink mana. He's trying to... Dude. based on what just happened right there, I mean, I know it can get a little bit hairy. They're like piled up. There's no way. I should drink. Okay, you didn't hurt. Okay. Do I have enough health? Now I want to kill you, but I want to drink. God. Watch Somber 2. Somber 2. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it wasn't going to be a 4. A flock of flamingos is known as a flamboyance. Is that true? Is that new? They try to throw purple poopies at me. I feel like boss just flipped the bird. Charlie, do you want to help us with these Godricks? Yeah, what do you want? Oh, here's a 4 right here! Oh, smithing stone 4. Wah, wah, wah. What are we talking about, Godric, guys? Is it like a Godric we've never done before? What's this Godric you speak of? What do you want? What are we looking at? We're looking at lightning build. We want daggers. Last Godric, I was pretty cool with the lightning build. So let's just go ahead and help some friends, folks. What do you guys think? You guys run in, you get a little aggro. I walk in, I make poopy. Godric, go away. Okay? Now, actually, I did not melt Godric. I was doing huge damage. And then the Commodore Jura was already freaking melting him and stunning him. And then Drew came in with the blood, with the Moog blood shower. And the rest is history, folks. Let me see. We're going to Bada Bling level 450. This build is good. Will it mess it up if I bring the lightning? Will it mess it up if I bring the lightning? I don't want to screw up y'all's playthrough. I don't think I'm gonna get the nuke. Like, it's just gonna melt. What? Lightning boy. Oh yeah. Is he not ready? Yeah, he's not ready. Okay. I'll go with that build I just had because I've killed him. Yeah, because I'll get my poopy off. I want to bring lightning, but lightning just killed Elden Beast. Lightning's got a a Malekith blade and a freaking blasphemous blade and no spells equipped. So yeah, he's not ready. Load game. That was rock and roll. Who was that? No, that was Professor Confessor. Dude, what's amazing is that you is free to subscribe and even the like is offered as a bonus free gift. That is so true. Truth. Yeah, man. Like on Facebook, you can follow for free, but you can't subscribe. You can only subscribe if you pay money, which a lot of these guys do. Thank you, subs, by the way. But here you can subscribe for free and like and share. Yeah, yep. We got a good community here, folks. I'm going to go help my friends right now with this same build, which across the great cell, across the great secluded cell. I think I found it, folks. I'm not buffing up. I don't want to show you guys up. All right? I'm not here to freaking show you guys up. Oh, wait. We gotta switch. Dirty finger down. You guys got a pass. Love that about you guys. Okay. Okay. Do I need to reset the poopy finger? Show us up, please. Well, I was going to bring the lightning build. I could have... No. On this character? I can't believe you guys are still freaking fighting Godric, man. I mean, is Godric hard? I remember last time we were at Godric, we freaking literally pooped all over him, man. This is it, right? You guys didn't say Godfrey. You said garlic. Okay, I'm canceling it. I'm putting it down again. And multiplayer. Yep. Think I got the password right. You see me now. Oh, I'm gonna buff up, guys. I'm gonna fully buff. It's gonna be nasty. No, I don't. I'm gonna help, and I'm gonna try and stay alive and give good steady damage, guys. I'll tell you, man. I joined this guild in classic WoW when they re-released World of Warcraft from the beginning, as the game came out 20 years ago or whatever, right? And I'm with this guild, and they're all kind of casuals, but they act hardcore, and they were like, some of them were really good players, and some of them were like just idiots. And they're like, we can't kill Onyxia. And I'm like, why? Just stop dying and kill Onyxia. They're like, we need someone to come in and heal the healers. Will you come in and heal the healers? I'm like, okay. So I went in, and I kept the freaking healers up, but I was healing the tanks too. I might have helped a mage. I ain't all about helping hunters and shamans. Oh, she likes me now. I thought you guys said you were doing big damn. I'm still up. Oh, I could have used some of that. Keeps moving out of my fire. Okay. Get him! He grabbed me! Wait until he's not immune! Oh my god, he didn't even hurt me. I thought I was dead. Come on, you suck at chess. Bro! There's no way. I got him. Did you get credit? Did you get it? Yay! Guys, it's true. Even Charlie Sardo Gaming can be useful. That's awesome, man. It just shows you. When the band is together, no one can stand against us. My health is at like 0% right now. I'm like running to the grace. Thanks, Charlie, for helping me with my Goddard. Caleb, you're welcome, dude. So wait. So Trey wasn't helping? Oh, okay. Well, so you guys want to, Drew, and you guys want to do it? You guys want me to help with another one? That extra Charlie magic. Dude, I almost died twice. You saw that video, you'd be like, you should be dead, bro. I was doing some damn, though. I was trying. I paced myself. You are the wind beneath my Godric. So am I... You guys need me or no? We have Trace. Yeah, but what I'm saying is, you have 3 people. You got Trey, Caleb, and Drew, right? Hola! Jackery Taylor, how you doing, my friend? Welcome to the stream. Good to see you again, brother. Load game. Tell me you need me. Tell me you need me. Smokey's coming in. I'm tagging Smokey in. I got you. I'm getting a little bit smoky on you guys. Beside the great secluded cell. Coming in with Smokey. You can help Trey and Drew now. Cool. We'll now this is going to be a little bit trickier because 26,000 runes. Let me just check my balance here, guys. See what's going on. Level up. Yeah, not even close. Not going to even think about that. Let me put down the dirty amigo finger, folks. There you go. Oh man, wait. Can I rest while I have a dirty finger down? I'm checking. Sorry, I'm testing something. Memorize spell. Flame cleanse me. Remove. That's all I got to do, guys. Can you summon me now? I'm just shooting. Oh, I just shot into the fog wall, folks. Should I cancel and restart? Putting it back down. Not goofing around. This will be kind of fun with the Reduvia daggers, man. Dagger stagger is dangerous, folks. Wait till you see it. You should see Mo get freaking... You should see Mo's health bar go... It's freaking awesome. I'll tell you this. Mo hit me so hard. I was like, hey, we're 3-man and I get the 18. We're going to get Moog, man. We run in there. I'm like, okay, I'm trying to get position on him. He hits me with blood. Almost freaking kills me. I'm like, whoa. Big boy boss. You know? But then he just didn't hit me that much after that. And things felt just a little bit better. Things felt just a little bit better, folks. I can't see chat, man. I mean, like, password. Oh, we gotta switch it back. Oh, I gotta change it from different characters. Sorry. Okay, now, if I die, it doesn't mean that you guys can't kill him. If I die, it means I already did more damage than anyone was supposed to do by themselves. And it's okay. Keep going because you got this. Thank you guys for the password. Yeah. Every time I change characters, I don't think about that. Different character for every password. I guess it makes sense. Do I have to change it again? It's a move. It's a manunu. Whatever you like, man. I would say I didn't come up with the password donuts, but actually I did come up with the password donuts. It's a great password. I mean, who doesn't like donuts? I want donuts. Does anyone have any freaking donuts right now? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark. I'll tell you guys something funny. YouTubers, you ready for this? About 6-7 weeks ago, I started streaming almost every night, 8 p.m., Elden Ring, 2 to 4 or 5 hours. Not 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. I miss a night here and there. I've been also uploading shorts, and my channel is vastly growing and getting close to being monetized and all this, and just good stuff on YouTube. Okay. I get a monthly report. You got to hear this, Trey. I get a monthly report, and it's like, I get the right, yeah. The monthly report says, look at what your 8,000 people are. I don't have 8,000 followers. Or 80,000 people that you reached. Look what they're searching for. And it gives me statistics and things that they search for in their search engine. And you know what it is? It was all chess. Chess. Because I used to do chess. So, like, I literally think I'm doing Elden Ring on this channel right now. And it's growing from here as an Elden Ring. But I think the followers on this channel are vastly chess players. Isn't that hilarious? What do you do? I know what I do. Rock and roll out, bruh. I added a chess reel to the stream to the page today. See what happens. Twin lightning, love it. Can a man buff? Here we go. Donuts better than cupcakes. I'm not a big cupcake fan, but I mean, I'll eat one. I'll eat a cupcake. Now, do I get in and get funky and get live with the successive attacks? You couldn't even see me, man. I put the blood on him, guys. He's afraid now. Wait, I better look at him. What's with the lag, bro? I'm just gonna top off. He's not moving! Phase 2. Password Charlie. I put it on him, guys! He's gonna be mad! I better get some stam. All right. Guys, the daggers, bro. It's the daggers. I'm telling you, it's the daggers. Good job, man. Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Boom. I'm like, what is that tree stump? Is that tree stump? So you guys got your points? Dude, I love the rune arcs, man. Rune arcs are awesome. I should literally just be like, yeah, I'll just help you. I'll kill every boss you want me to. Just pull me in, and I'll just stack them rune arcs. Because when you get on that one Elden beast that's giving you a hard time with a certain build or something, you want that rune arc. You know what I'm saying? Hi, Charlie. Hello, chat. Hey, Wolf, how you doing, man? Dude, we got a lot of locals in here tonight, man. We got a lot of the yokels. Good to see you guys, man. Welcome back, Wolf. I just helped them kill 2 Godricks. Now, did you guys want to move on to Melinda? If you don't, it's okay. I'm actually going to go do a Volcano Manor invasion on my freaking Reduvia Dagger. Because I can. Run north. Hey, Wolf. Hope you're feeling better. All about millennia. No treble. Oh, wait. It's not north. Over here. The wolves are after me. Okay, so you guys want to go millennia now? I already kind of, you guys, you know, I can just port there. I'm already on the character. I'll tell you this. I'm bringing Booty back, if you guys didn't know that. Okay, I'm invading him, right? Oh, so I invade him and it doesn't work, right? Alright. I forgot. Yeah, it's when he invades me, I can pre-buff. Okay, I'm gonna do an attempt on this fool real quick. I gotta hit him. Put some poop on him. Put some poop on him. You didn't look that fast. Dude, he gets all that time to get off the poopy on me. It's not fair. He drank. That was a big jump, bro. He's gonna kill me. I got him. Yeah, I got him. I got him. It's okay. Hey, guys, I took care of it. Dang. You have Millennia on my cosplay. I'll get trained Charlie for first few tries. You have Millennia. Wolf. Okay. Whoa. We got loot. Okay. Now, I'm going to have to tighten it up, guys, for Millennia. Okay? That was nice practice. Right? But we're going to have to dial it in. Okay, so we're doing trays now, right? Getting summoned, folks. Putting the dirty finger down. I'm ready to go. This character, one thing about this character, I don't have to look at spells, trinkets. Well, I should look at trinkets, actually. I say that now. Nope. We're just going in, guys. We're going in with the Moida. The Moida. Kill build. Not getting summoned yet. Which means we need to get a new water bottle, guys. Sucker didn't last, man. Coffee can. Oh, wait. Do I have to change my password? Wait, which? Yeah. I was going to go get water, and then I'm like, wait a minute. Dude, we can leave it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna leave it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can just use that one. I don't care. If I ever team up with my son, I'll just be like, dude, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In case you want to play with Trey or Drew or something, right? Okay, good. Restart. I'm grabbing water. fact, folks. I said, we're back. All right, here we go. We got how many millennials to do here tonight? 2 or 3? Couple, 2, 3? Cat is here. Ooh. All right, guys. Just because I'm streaming, you know. You guys want to rotate me out. You guys go with your flow. You know what I'm saying? I didn't bring the lightning build. Actually, while he was resetting, I probably should have grabbed the lightning build. But, no, he can't come. He can't come. He has not done the Ordena Liturgical Town or whatever. Whoa, 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 whoa. If it should be like World of Warcraft. We should be able to duel right now. Wouldn't that be cool, Drew? Smokey challenges you to a duel. Accept, and then we just duel. Whoever runs out of health first loses. You bow, and we duel. That is a great thing about World of Warcraft. They should steal that. You know what I'm saying? I would. That'd be a nice thing, man. They did Season of Discovery Hardcore. I think they did that, right? And they did Hardcore Self-Found, where like no auction house, no mail. You have to just. It's way harder. It's the way we used to play back in the day. It's got me wanting to play a little bit, but I'm not going to. I wanted to play Warzone. I didn't do it. What's that? What's it called? Hellraiser? Hellfinder? Hellbounder? What's that new game? Hell something. People have been hyping about that. Is it good, though? Is it good? Does anyone have it? Caleb might know what it is. Summoning another co-operator. Okay, I got to get all prepared. Okay, tell me this. Am I gold vowing? Yes. Helldivers. Thank you, Wolf. Am I gold vowing? Yes or no? You tell me. I go with your flow. I think Trey, that looks like a gold vow there. So I'm going to say, was that a gold vow? No, that's a gold vow. That's a gold vow. Good. So we got gold vow. Cool. Thank you for the gold vow. I'm going to spit some poopies. I should have brought more mana, guys. But I feel like I want to walk in when she's not looking and put the chain hits on her, guys. I screwed up. Okay, I'm learning. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Got away. I freaking dodged! The space bar is this big. What the hell just happened? I had that. Judge jumped on and helped me out with Godric just before he jumped on. I dodged, guys. Okay, I have to check my space bar. Look. I'm running. I untarget. I'm looking. She does her blah, 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 blah. And then I went like this. And I just stood there and got killed. I swear to God. I swear. It obviously was something with the programming and the development team at FromSoft or whoever made this game. Yeah, whoever made this game. I blame them. Sorry, guys. I'm going to try. Well, actually, I ran in to get some shots in, and I got greedy, and I got hit. That's bad. Getting hit is bad. So I'm going to try and do the poopies. How we doing on... I only have 2 health pots, so I'm probably going to switch that at some point. Stance break easier. I don't know. Probably better just stick a bubble on, right? After this attempt, if I have a problem, I'm going to put a bubble on, guys. And take more mana pots so I can just squirt her from a distance. You know what I mean? Maybe running on a stagger. I can help if need be. Thanks, Wolf. Yeah, like I said, we're doing trays right now. I'm just I was just playing on the chat picks character, and chat wasn't picking because chat picked before, and the character kind of got a little bit. He needed some levels because I really don't have anywhere to go because I'm too low leveled. So I did Castle Morn. I did some Everjails. I did a freaking Catacomb. I'm getting a few levels, getting them ready. Back so then I can log in and say, okay, chat, now you pick. Replace, please. Why? What did it do? Try again. Try again in a little bit different place. This is the lucky spot. Yeah, I wonder why. If you want me back at the Grace, I could do that there. But it worked last time, replacing it, sadly. I'm going to try and stand still. Sounds like you've been busy. Charlie, hope you made some baller content for YouTube. Wolf, you know what, man? I need to plan it more. And then do 2 or 3 hours of the plan and then edit that down. That's the move. I think that's what people do. And I have been kind of doing that sometimes. But I've got a video I'm already editing right now, so I'm not like stressing. I've got so much work to do on that one. You don't see it still? The password's the same, right, guys? We left it 54321. Okay. Let us do this. Oh, wait. Want me to put it by the Grace? Or want to try it back over here? I'm going to try it back over here. Still in the region, but not by the Grace. Look at my stream. Yeah, I might see it. And I'm not going to wiggle. I'm going to sit here like this. Not move my eyes too much. Okay. Okay, now. The goal is to do at least 1/3 of the damage and not die. That's the goal. That's the goal. What are you, warming stoning over there or something? Let's go. If you want to jump on and run some like Lunia, we can at Cat. God, what is my problem? I don't think I got that greedy. Oh my God, I got in front of her somehow. Oh, I dodged an attack. Call the papers. Ha! Sorry, Hayata, you get the poopies. How do you do that? He trips her. I need more mana, guys. Dude! I died twice, guys. That's bad. Let me go to the Grace. First off, because I don't have enough mana to shoot. So I'm like, I'm going to have to run in and dagger the crap out of her. And I'm I'm pushing too hard on that. But wait, let me go to. No. Well, yeah, physic is good. This one, I'm going to go to the bubble. That will keep it from getting hit one time. Wait. And now, I need mana, guys, so I can shoot. So we got to go to flasks. We got to go to allocate, 12 and 2. Okay, that's better. And wait, one more thing. Equipment. Chain. That's important. That's important. But I'm not going to... Well, without that, though, I don't think I'm going to... Yeah. This might be it. Gonna farm a bit. Let me know. Cool. Okay, fingers back down. I just put another one down. Back over here in the lucky spot. The daggers are rough on Millennium, man. Because if you want to get in there to use all my bonuses, you got to get in there, and then she just freaking jumps up. I got to go in here like a couple times to get out. That's what I got to do. Yep. I'm going for too much. It's a totally different fight. Got this. We almost had phase 2 there easy, guys. You guys would have had it. Gotta get closer, I guess. Not gonna have enough mana. Yeah, no, way too close. All right, well, I died all 3 times. So that tells me... I died all 3 times. You want me to, guys... You want me to get one, bring one with the bonk? I can have here in a minute. Let me bring the bonker. I think we need the bigger gun. And tell me about the bonk. Like, I got to get close on the bonk too, right? The difference is, with the bonk, I just run in and hit and run away. But I'm like trying to get bleed going, right? Load game. This guy right here. Bonk might be the move. Drew, right. That's what I'm saying. Try fingers. Well, this actual exact segment is more helping friends than... And so, I don't exactly know what try fingers means in this exact scenario, but it's down, baby. It's down by the steps. Bring me in, put me in, coach. Equipment. Yeah, this is all stock. This guy's ready to roll. This guy's ready to roll. I might have put it too close to the steps, so I don't know if that's a problem. Can you see it or no? Hey, all right, here we go. All right, guys. I managed somehow with my... Yeah, like I said, if I run in and just touch her and run out and never get the bleed going, or if I just keep doing the Redubia Ash thing, I don't know if I'm going to be doing my fair share of damage. I know I'm going to run out of mana. Same buffs, I love it. do this. I'm fixing to put the bonk on this fool. This is a great technique with the big bonk, guys. I wait till she's looking at them, and I jump attack her. Whoa. Oh, I almost got her off you. She hit me because she was hitting you. Still my mistake. I love the trip. It's hilarious. I was trying to put the poop on her. Stagger! Oh my god, I went for 2 attacks there, guys. That was reckless. You guys are freaking melting her, man. I feel like I'm not doing anything. I know I'm doing stuff. Phase 2, baby, let's go! It takes way too long, and it wears off so fast. It's just not worth it to me. Trey, what happened? So would that be it? All those things came at the right time, bro. Oh my god, I got rotted? I didn't even know I got rotted. Yeah, I've never seen it worth it to keep buffing both hammers. I mean, it's just not worth it. To me, it's not worth it. It's not worth the hassle. It's not... It's, if I was going for like a... Oh, wait. No, come on, man. If I was going for a, like a one-hit kill or something... You know what I mean? With aromatics and everything, mass damage on every single hit. The first hit, one shot, a boss or something. Then I think it would be worth it, obviously. But, change the hand and do that, and then do that and change it back and do that. Even if I get it down pretty quick, by the time you're done... You got Millennia's running around, you run over to her, and the first one wears off. At least that's my experience. I'm not saying other people can't do it, but it doesn't work for me. Looked at the stream and got bombed. Oh, man. Jeff Conley said, had to reschedule my wound care appointment earlier today because I've had the runs all day and the day before. I didn't want to chance it. Oh, man. Jeff. Good luck, my brother. We're burning flasks here, folks. I should have never drank.
Hey! Hey!
Let's roll.
Hey!
That was actually much better on my part, though, right, guys? Yeah, for me. Have you ever done the big bonk? I missed her. The trip is hilarious. Oh, she got lucky. I'm like, if that's on me, I'm dead. If that's on me, I'm dead. I didn't even hit her, guys. She wasn't even looking at me. I hit the ground next to her. It's my excuse. I felt, you know, I don't know. I think certain builds are easier to 3-man just cheeser. You know what I mean? When she's in the middle and we have two like ranged, you know what I'm saying? It's like she's just walking around the whole time. When we got a little more closer range stuff, it starts getting a little bit more chaotic. At least in my brain, it does. I got this. Cool dragon for a key. Cool, cool, cool. Here we go. We got this, man. We got this, guys. My flask was running out anyway. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to drink my flask. It's going to be magical. That trip is good. Is it, what's the story on the trip thing, man? It's not working? I wish we were on comms and you were like, I want a tripper. Did you do the Hallowed Tree song before playing Millennia? Maybe that's why you're losing. No, Jeff, I don't do the Hallowed Tree song unless I arrive at the Hallowed Tree canopy. I'm guessing I'm resetting it. Resetting it, folks. Guys, I died once. I died twice? On this build. On the other build, I died like every time. Yeah. This build, I think I'm 1-1, so that's not too bad. I need to never die. It's not my playthrough. I need to help. I need to not die. It's the point. We're going in, guys. We're going in. Oh, he's summoned Trey first, I think. That's what took so long. Nope. I love this build, man. Hey! It's so friendly. It's so friendly, folks. Dude, I still got Flame Cleanse me, too. Let's do this. This is it. This build is bonkers! Okay. Did I hit her? She wants me. She likes me. Looking at Trey, I think. No way! There's no way, man. I ain't gonna lie. I was a little late on running from that, but it's just too close. The waterfowls are, I think, more. Should we fight her out in the open? Do we always fight her like this? Because every time we do, it's a little bit different build, right? I feel like, I don't know, man. It is OP, but if you run away the instant you see it, and you're not too close, it's not hard. If you're good and you run away and you're kind of close, I think I could dodge some of the early ones, I think. But I like to just be far enough away that I just run from it, miss the first few, and dodge the last one. What I should do there, I think I have to dodge. Am I right, guys? I'm like running for my freaking life over here. Maybe I'm doing too much damn. Maybe I'm just freaking her out, guys. Maybe she's just like, I gotta kill the freaking guy with the big bunks. She waterfowl Trey once, and I think me twice in the last 3 waterfowls. I'm not trying to cry waterfowl. I'm just saying, I'm trying to cry. I've been too damn close because I'm a freaking melee build, folks. Melee build. So I gotta get close. Maybe don't fight her in a corner, man. Maybe don't fight her in a corner. Maybe fight her like with all this space. No, is it better to fight her there? I don't know why you would want to fight her in that tiny spot. There's so much room out here for activities. See, when she's not looking at me, it's okay for me to attack. Then I gotta go in and get out. If she starts a waterfowl, I can run. It's not too bad. It's not too bad for a noob like me, right? Where is she? Coming after... Oh, she's coming after Drew. Drew didn't make it. I don't think I've ever dodged the waterfowl or her second phase. Rot, flowers, move. Always get hit at least once. You know what? They made the waterfowl not hard, man. If you're ranged, if you have a little bit of range, the minute you see it and you run away, now you can just run and you dodge. You almost dodge back through it and it's over. It's like, it's not bad. Or you might get hit once. It's not too bad. The rot flowers, you're talking about when she does the big orange bomb and comes down. I think you run toward it, right? And roll through it or something? I think that's what Drew said, because I kept running away from it. It kept landing on me. I'll have to figure it out later when it's my turn on Reduvia, if we make it. When she goes up and shoots the little sisters down at you, that's when it screwed me forever until I just know the minute she does that, you just run away. Yeah. When she shoots her little sisters at you, running away is great advice. Put me in, coach. Scarlet Aeonia. Is that what it's called? He's got the bees, guys. He's got the bees. Oh my God. No! You can't hit me because I'm near you. You gotta hit me when I freaking attack you, bro. Well, ain't that just the bee's knees? Yeah, the flower move is called Scarlet Aeonia. It's a big one. It's a huge Aeonia. It's one of the bigger Aeonias I've ever seen. She has a huge Aeonia, folks. Millennia does. You know, something happened back in the day in the old World of Warcraft guild. The pretty hard. It's not actually hardcore, but you know what I mean. We were pretty hard into the game, guys. And we were stuck on freaking patchwork, man. We needed this. We needed this bad. We were probably already #1 horde guild on the server, but there was another guild that was close. I think we just passed them. And we needed this kill. And the freaking healers, we were having problems, man. There's like a hateful strike or a mortal strike that like just takes like 60%, 70% of the tank's, 80% of the tank's health. It comes so fast. And they were blaming us, and we were blaming them. And it was stressful, man. It was freaking stressful, guys. And then it starts getting to the point where you're like, I just want to not mess up, so next time we fail, it's not my fault. It's the other guy's fault. No! I should have went away and I didn't. The worst thing you can do is there we go! I didn't lose! I didn't lose. Now I don't care what happens. I want to roll to the side for positioning, but I feel like I need to get the hell away from her. Uh-oh. That was pretty cute, whoever did that. She got a lot of health, man. She got so much health. You guys like to fight her in the corner? I don't like to fight her in the corner. Well, I'm not the only person on the team! Oh my god. That was a move. Oh my god, she hit me with everything. That's why she got so much health. Not really exactly. She didn't take that much. The bonks are real, folks! Oh my god, he was in my way. I mean, my fault. Yeah, it's okay. He's still attacking. Trey's still up? How's Trey still up? Kill her! I don't understand what happened there. Is there lag or something? In my screen, she died. And on my screen, I saw Trey die. Trump voice. Millennia has the biggest Aeonia. It's just the best and the brightest. Yeah. It's a pain in my Aeonia. Did I miss something there? Did Trey die before me? I don't care who died. I'm not trying to placing blame. I'm just saying, like, I ran in and started whacking on her because Trey was dead. I just wanted to get phase 2. But the okay. But your freaking spells were still coming after her. Like last night. Did you not, Wolf, did you not see Trey's spells living on? So Drew is doing the same spell too. But it's coming out of the middle of the air where he isn't, is what I'm seeing. That's what I don't understand. Malekith incant. That's what I'm saying, Wolfo. that ghost stuff was coming from Trey, who was already gone. Who I'm like, is he still alive? Yeah, you did, Trey. You attacked Trey. You're not allowed to do that. It's an unforgivable curse. Dude, you know what? Hack away, brother. Hack away. No, don't hack away. I mean, for a millennia kill? Dude, she did grab move onto me going into phase 2. She skipped Scarlet. Hang on, it was at 10% health. Oh my god, you went to phase 2. You know, Wolfo, we try not to, but to be honest, I don't know if I've made a big ruling on the After Dark YouTube community. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, if you notice, go with the flow, right? Like, if you come in and I'm all effing this and that, and hey, that's what she said, ha ha ha. You know, go with your flow. But if you see most, you know, you see most people aren't so much, and yeah. But I wasn't offended by it. But Trey deleted it because he's a moderator. And Trey comes from a long line of great moderators. Yeah. No, you're okay, Wolfo. You're okay. But we do try and keep it light, man. We keep it light. You mentioned something a little bit earlier too when you said in that voice. One thing we don't do here, zero politics. Like, you can't mention a president's name because people will freaking get passionate. And we don't want it. You know what I'm saying, Wolf? So don't even friendly jokes like that. Someone's gonna freaking say something else, and it will never end. And it will turn into, oh, did I get hit? That was me. That was my bubble. Did she get points for a bubble? Trey's still alive. That's the move, dude. I feel like my space bar's going out, guys. I really do. Remember when I cried about it? Okay, that was that thing you guys were talking about. See, that's the easy way to do it when you have range. You just run away and dodge, double roll back. No! I let her hit me. It's a sin, guys. I'm coming. Oh, God, here we go. Right up against the wall. You can't tank millennia. Someone took a bullet for you, Charlie. Was it for me? I just know the Reduvia daggers was not carrying my weight. Here, I feel like I'm doing a little bit better. What do you guys want to do, man? You guys want to keep going till Drew is out of time? Do you want to try someone else's? Mine's done. I got access to the Aeonia room. I got one tapped in front of you when Millennia did that thrust. Yeah. Yep. That's exactly right. She was thrusting me, and I had proper range, and I was also rolling for it. But Trey got in between it. It's a collat. It was a collat, right? Yep, 1000%. I saw it. I was there. I was there. I'd protect the stream. No way, man. Screw the stream, dude. Save yourself. Oh my god. She hit me, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, she's all on top of me, bro. There's no way! There's no way! There's no way she just did that! There's no way she did that on top of me! She freaking was on top of me when she started that. Guys, I have never had it that close in my life. I have never had it that close in my life. That was Tokisaki. That was the worst case scenario I've ever had. Oh, look at that. He's in the corner. What? 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 She did it again. I wasn't even... I didn't even touch her. I didn't even touch her. That was the two worst waterfowls I think I've ever had. Ever in my life. And I survived one of them. Bonus. Did you see that? She was literally on top of me. Goes up. And I survived that waterfowl. I took a lot of damage, guys. I'm not proud of it, but I didn't die. The second one, she's staring at Drew. She's staring at Drew. Drew, what were you doing? You were waiting for me to hit her, right? Because that's the plan. She's looking at Drew. I'm supposed to hit her. So she turns to me, and then Drew hits her. This is the plan. That's why Drew wasn't doing anything. Because I was perfectly safe. I was perfectly safe. Because Millennia can't hurt me because she's not looking at me. No one's attacking anything. Tokisaki, how you doing, my brother? Man, we are playing Elden Ring. We are hyped for the downloadable content. We're three-manning Millennia right now, and we did a couple of Millennia. What? We did one Millennia the other day, right? We did 3 Elden Beasts in one night. We did the 3 Mogs, I think, last night. That was fun. But Moog isn't even like Radagon, Elden Beast, or Millennia. But we've killed plenty of Millennials, the 3 of us, just with it's different builds. And we're having a good time, man. If you like what you see, throw me a sub, guys. I stream almost every night. It's a good Elden Ring community. We're growing here on YouTube. We're having a good time. We're going to play all downloadable content. And I just survived a pretty freaking rough waterfowl, bro. That was rough. She heard you and said, oh, did you see it? She freaking turned on me, dude. Guys, after this attempt, I got to hit the bio, man. Because I was born on the bayou. But I'm ready. I'm ready for another attempt. Okay, I'm taking it. I'm not getting summoned. I'm gonna reset it. She was so pressed. You dodged it. She was, dude. She was, man. I made her mad, guys. I made her mad, dude. Dude, she put in a ticket, dude. She put a ticket back home to Japan, and she's like, "This fool! I just waterfouled on top of him. He almost couldn't even see it, and he survived it." And so I'm sorry, but I broke the AI rules, and I was looking at one guy, and I turned around and waterfouled the guy behind me. That's what she freaking did. That's what she did. This be my last... Okay. All right. Putting on the gaming headphones. Is there anything I can change? Is there anything I should change? I can't rune art because I'm helping. I need all this stuff. Jump attacks are good. Physical damage is good. I even have Flame Cleanse me for phase 2 if I really, really need it like a little baby. Okay? Oh my god. Woo! If you guys want to fight her in the hallway, go ahead. That was my bubble, but what the hell? Oh, I missed it! It's too close. When it's too close, I have to roll. I said this last time and I didn't do it this time, so that's operator error. I'm not a professional waterfowl expert, but Wolf, am I right? When it's too close, I can't outrun it. I have to dodge into it, but I feel like I'm gonna get freaking diced. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm gonna get diced, dude. Why is she all of a sudden on me on the freaking waterfowl, bro? Sorry, Drew. You guys should have kept playing. Just... Yeah, it wasn't point blank, man. It was... you know, if point blank is 1 and enough distance to dodge the whole thing except for the last one is like maybe a 6. It was like at about a 4 or 4.5. It was like enough to make me want to try and outrun the whole thing, or most of it, until the last rush. And I didn't. I couldn't. What do you do there? I have to roll back in. Okay, Trey. Yeah, you guys would have gone on. Good. Sorry about that, man. I'm sorry I freaking died first. I got freaking waterfouled, guys. Oh gosh, I got to put my finger down. Yeah. Go ahead and put it down. Trey, I'm sorry, but I got a quick bio. It's going to be fast. It's not working? I thought I'd be in for sure. Okay. Cancel. Resetting dirty finger. Sorry about that. Drew, I love you, brother. Night, man. Yeah, dude. We'll get her, man. We'll get her. What's different? Oh, well, Drew's character is different. It was totally worth it. It was totally worth it. I mean, not to say that there's not some RNG and that maybe, you know, I'm not playing optimally right now. But I'm like, what's different? Because Hayeda's here and Big Bonk's here. Okay, so it's Drew's character. The same way when you guys helped me do mine. Ooh, look at this guy. The bestest boy. I like him. I like him, guys. Ooh, we got a game. Did I go in? I'm a little slow on the uptake, guys. That was my bubble. I don't know how she hit me, but whatever. It's all about angles, folks. No! I almost did another attack, guys. She hit me, guys. Sorry. I knocked her right in the face, too, folks. Why? Oh, my God. Okay. I don't want that crap on me. That was looking good, man. That was looking real good. That was looking good. Going to another world, folks. That was a nice phase one, man. Pretty nice. I got hit, though. I hate getting hit, folks.
Hey! Hey!
So this is Wolf's, or no, or is this Trey's? Is Trey the bestest boy? Yeah, Trey was on Hayeda. That is Trey for sure, because Trey always lays down like that when unable to summon cooperator. I blame the host. The feathers are orange, folks. Orange feathers. It's me. I'm cosplaying Blade. Yeah, it didn't work, Wolf. You got to try it. Try and replace it. Okay. I've been having to put mine over here, and it seems to work every time, more or less. Well, 4 out of 5, 5 out of 6. It's a little wonky, folks. It'd be great if they could get some, like, internet people to work with their company and fix it. You know what I'm saying? Trey is all emotes. Unable to summon cooperator. Oh, yeah, no, he's got the password, too, huh? It wouldn't get that far without the password. So, yeah, so. I'm practicing for millennia. That's what I do to her head. A little jumpy. Oh, you're hosting. Okay. When Trey said replace... Oh, he said replaced the sign. When he said replace the sign, I thought... I understand now. I get you.
Hey!
All right. Drinky, drinky. Granted boy some strength. Took a little chance there. I haven't hit her once, I don't think. When I do, big damn. Ah! Right on top of you, bro. If you want to take it all the way, well, if you want to, whatever you want to do. I can't seem to. We had that one pretty good phase one. We could. Whoa. I healed her. She's looking at me. I should have never done that. I should have never done that. I'm sucking stam out of my freaking cocktail straw right now, trying not to freaking... It's okay, I got her. Oh, it happens. Ah, we beat yours yesterday. Nice, Trey. Putting the dirty sign down kind of over by the steps. We've been getting these bad waterfowls because we're so close. We're kind of doing an up-close beatdown. When she goes up, it's like, whoever she's on, it's going to get kind of rough. You know what I mean? That's why I feel like we should be fighting her in the middle. I feel like we should be fighting her in the middle and not on the edge. And that way, because I run in and hit her, and then I back out. And as I'm backing out, you guys hit her. Now I have range. Now I got to run back in again. Do you know what I'm saying? Does it make sense? I don't know. I literally feel like that's kind of... When we have range, it's definitely by far... It's the cheating strat. With all these melees, I think we need to... I think we need to fight her toward the middle. Wolf is just on her the whole time, so she never really stops moving, which I'm not saying it's bad. But I just can't hit her. I hit her right there. Put the frost on her, I see. She switched. She switched, guys. She switched. She did like the double or the triple freaking poopy. Topping off because I can. All right, here we go, baby. I think she touched me. I think she touched me. The waterfowl in phase 2 is a joke compared to phase 1, isn't it? What? Oh, guys, go kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. You guys got it. I didn't know to. I didn't recognize that fast enough. Stay alive, Hayata. You got this, man. Help him out. Think they got it, guys? Think they got it? I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm going to do a little play-by-play in the room, folks. Even though we can't see it. Trey is at 5%. Trey's backing up the hill. Wolf goes in. Wolf is taking full aggro and dancing with her like he pretty much has been doing the whole time, which has been working. It got us to phase 2. Almost got her dead. Trey's healing. Trey is back in. Trey is doing big damn, folks. Wolf is rolling. Perfect parries. I can't really see anything, guys. I'm just... It's my imagination. Just my wait. Just my imagination. Right? What do you think, guys? Did they get it? They're going to go, the rot vortex killed me. No! Okay. Okay. Well, let me get out of the room. Get my dirty finger back down. Dang, that was a good attempt, guys. I dodged. Waterfowl phase 2 is kind of a joke, isn't it, compared to phase 1? I feel like waterfowl phase 2 is like 60, 50, maybe 60% as lethal as waterfowl phase 1. I'm done playing nice. Moonveil time. Hey, Wolfo, man, you do what you do, brother. You play your game, man. I haven't changed anything. You know, one thing that I do sometimes to beat when I'm the host or if I'm playing myself, to beat the waterfowls, I'll Rune Arc and I'll Crimson Amber Medallion. And with a great shield, and I can literally freaking, like, I can't tank. I gotta dodge some, but waterfowl almost never gets me, even in the bad spots. Because I just have enough health. You know what I'm saying? Here comes the Moonveil, folks. Beast is in there with the Moonveil. Haven't hit her yet. She moves too much. Get her without the I love the freaking Elden Beast swipe. I got 2 off. Okay, there we go, guys. I had enough range. Oh no! 2 in a row! 2 in a row! Ah, knocked her into phase 2, folks. With the big bonk build. Okay. Oh, they got the trip on her, guys. Bonked her! She hit me how? She was swinging at something, folks. Guys, drink 2 pots. Run for your life! Oh no, that was the one that got me last time, Wolf. That was the one that got me last time, Wolf. Still another nice phase 1. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. And phase 2, we're starting to rock the phase 2s now. So we'll get this. We're gonna get this, folks. If you're just getting here, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. We are helping. When I say helping, I mean we are playing with one of our people here, part of the community, Wolf. And we are trying to help him kill his Malena. We're doing it together. We're having fun. We're 3-manning it. It's a good time. We've come pretty darn close. I'm rocking the big bonk build, folks. Talisman, Dragon Crest, Great Shield Talisman, Claw Talisman, Great Jars Arsenal, Green Turtle Talisman, guys. A little bit of Trey's Goal and Vowing, so I don't really have to. It's not my job. 1. But I am Flame Grant Me Strengthening. And I'm hitting that on phase 2 because I have time. You know what I'm saying? Did I hit her? I didn't hit her. I can't hit her, guys. Still can't hit her. They don't need me to hit her. They don't want me to hit her. Hey! Bonked it! Bonked her. Wow. I was standing up. I got iframes, I think, by standing up. Okay. Haven't hit her yet. I'm standing in a waterfowl, guys. Just healed her up for sure. You gotta run fast. You gotta run. Rolling doesn't help. Rolling is not as fast as running. You gotta roll. You gotta run. You gotta run. You gotta run, man. You gotta turn and run. I mean, in my humble. I ain't saying I know nothing. I know distance. You might get hit by a couple, but you gotta get out. That's how I know it. I might be wrong. It's the first. I was the first one to die to that on your first attempt, Wolf. So yeah. Phase 1's feeling good, dude. Those clones are mad annoying. They are, man. It's like you got to know what it looks like when it starts and start running from it. You got to just run. You chose the worst move at that time. It's easy for me to sit back as a mage to shoot her in the trench is different. It is, man. It's totally different. It's a totally different dude. Phase 1, man. Horn and near water felt melted. Yeah. Well, I would suggest something, but I'll tell you this. This is going so well. I mean, we keep dying, but the phase 1s are so fun. I think it's more what I should say. The phase 1s are so fun that I'm down. I could do this for a while. It's a little frustrating. Can't hit her though. I think I hit her. She should be off me. Okay. I survived a close waterfowl. And she didn't heal to 100%. To me, that's a good day. Knocked her to phase 2, folks. Lucky. I'm buffing, guys. I don't know if you guys buff, but I'm buffing. Because I want to stay alive. There you go. Run. That should still come for you, though. Oh my God, she waterfouled me. I'm up. She waterfouled me when I was under her, folks. She ditched it to him too, no? This is it. Focus. Yeah, baby. Done. Good job, guys. Good job, Wolf. Good job, Trey. We finally got it, man. Nice. We got it, Caleb. That was freaking rough, man. That was rough. Good job, Wolf. Dude, I got I got crappy waterfowl, man. I didn't know what to do. I was like, well, if I just run, so I just kind of like started to run, started getting hit, and I rolled back, and that missed some of them, and it wasn't enough to kill me. No, man, I don't want to do Millennia all night, man. I'm cool, Trey. She loves her point blank waterfowl. She's been killing them tonight, man. I got a couple of good clips, man. I got a clip of her waterfowling on me, like right in my face, and I survive it. And then Trey dies, and she's staring at Drew, and she's walking toward Drew very slowly, and I'm coming up behind her to hit her. She turns around and waterfowls on me like point blank. It's freaking hilarious. I was going with the hit and run transient moonlights. Hey, man, whatever you did, it worked. I guess we'll save Reduvia for when Drew is back on. Yeah, or whatever, but I'm not that worried about it right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was fun, man. That was fun, dude. That was a good time, man. That was a good time. Guys, I got a ton of shorts here on YouTube, man. Go to Charlie Sardo Gaming. It's right at the top. Just go to my page. And I got a bunch of streams. I'll tell you the best streams, the lives. If you want to watch a live that happens really cool, really fast, my first Fire Giant no hit, my first Malekith no hit. They're lives. They're under live. They're like 4 or 5 hour videos. But if you watch them, the first half an hour, you're going to get action. It's going to be good. Okay? And then there's a bunch of shorts there and stuff too, guys. Check that out. Please Please throw me a sub if you guys like what you see. I am going to call it, man. I got a little 4 hour streaming. I feel real good about it. Good time with you guys. Good gaming. Thank you, Wolf. Thank you, Trey. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, Caleb. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, everyone who was here tonight, man. Thank you for all the new subs, all the new views. Guys, we're growing. We're getting there, man. Things are going well here at YouTube, and I feel good about it. And I'm enjoying gaming, man. So DLC hype, guys. DLC freaking hype. We're going all the way to the DLC. We're going to stream all the way every day till we get there. So I freaking love you guys. Thank you, guys. Good night.